sa Mastercard ko. Yes, ma'am. Yan yung main office, ma'am. Pero sa ngayon, hindi na ako active sa kanila.
Hello to you, Mr. John Lucky. Hello.
Iniiwan po kasi sa store, ma'am. Kadalasan, pag postal po, ma'am, iniiwan doon sa store. Ang nasa store is Frisa or
Thank
Tony.
you. So, Mr.
Yung
John
body.
Lucky, just wait a minute.
Yes,
I'm gonna
ma'am.
have to
Frisa.
mute my mic because my husband has talking to somebody in important matter. So, yes, I will say
Paano yan
it
yung authorization,
later.
ma'am? Paano po yun?
So,
Gagawa ako?
we are now
Hindi ba
3
pwedeng verbal na lang?
million viewers, 2 million thumbs up of love. Thank you, guys.
Oo.
Okay. Okay, just wait a minute, Mr. Dome Lucky. I'm gonna have to get some chair. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. O kaya
A
baka gusto
chair
nilang
would have
mag-text
been
sa akin pag nandun
enough.
na para sa salubungin ko.
Okay.
Yung sa number ko na lang po, ma'am. Itong tinatawag niyo, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Mr. Dome Lucky, for
So, mga ilang weeks po, ma'am, bago
having you
makakarating.
here on my
Ilang
live stream
days?
again.
10 to 15 days.
I read all your message
Oh,
and Facebook. Then later on,
yes, ma'am.
I will add you on my Facebook. Okay, so Miss Roslyn Holero is your good friend. Yeah, I talked to her
Pag
like
perfect
a while
timing, ma'am,
ago.
siguro Sunday.
So Miss Roslyn is a
Yes, ma'am.
nice
Kasi from
friend.
Monday to Saturday, may work kami. Nasa
Shout
labas ako
out
ng
to my
bahay.
4
Katulad
million
kanina nung tumawag ka.
viewers. Yes, thank you so much for coming
Pag
to my
Sunday,
live
nandito lang ako
stream.
sa bahay, ma'am. Morning. Sunday morning, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so you see,
Mas probably
my
para
husband
10
is
o'clock.
there.
Yes, ma'am. Probably
Yeah,
10 o'clock, ma'am.
so that's my husband, Mr. Dome
Putal-putal po
Lucky.
kami. Sandali po, ma'am.
Okay.
Lalabas ako.
So Mama Jen is in the house. Hello to you, Mama Jen.
Clear, ma'am. Clear na po.
A big shout out to you, Mama Jen. Okay, Mr. Dome Lucky, Mama Jen is in the house. Ayan. So, may kausap si husband kaya medyo hindi tayo nag-iingay. Baka sabihin naman, doon ka sa kwarto. Okay, so thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Okay, Mama Jen. Ayan, nakaluto ka na, Mama Jen. Di ko pa na-emote si hubby mo. Mamaya. Mamaya, Mama Jen. Ano ko is, yes, I see everything. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Dome Lucky.
Yes,
I'll add you on Facebook later, but I just read your message. Yeah. And so you have a very nice live streaming in your house. Yeah. So nice. So thank you. Thank you so much. Ayan, Mama Jen, hindi ko pa na-emote si hubby mo. Yes po. Mamaya, Mama Jen, ano lang, parang slow mo lang natin. Ayan. Super busy. Ayan. Tapos na magluto atong diri ko ma-upload ang niluto ko dahil siguro mahaba ang time. Di, okay lang yun, Mama Jen. I-ano mo lang siya, i-edit mo siya. Pwede mo siyang i-cut, ayan, i-trim. Yung mga hindi kailangan i-trim mo lang. Saan ka nag-upload? Sa Filmora? Ako ka-upload ko lang yung stem ba sweet potato boiled. Binoil ko lang yung kamote. Nagmerienda ako, binidyo ko, o diba? Ang niluto ko niyan is, ano yun? Stir fry. Ini-stir fry ko lang yung tawag doon, broccoli, cauliflower, tsaka may Kaya yan, Mama Jen. Kaya yan. Ako nga, may video ako na 16, I think. That's 16 minutes. Natapos ko po yun. Oo. Ayaw, masarap yun. Oo, di ba? So, ipakita ko sa inyo, ha? Okay, I'll show you what our ulam. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Alisin ko muna sa charge. Ipakita ko sa inyo ang
later, ma'am.
ulam ko.
Ako gusto ko enroll yung isang kasama ko kumari. Ano po yung gagawin ko, ma'am?
Ayan ang ulam ko. Ayan. So, may siya, may cauliflower, pork. Ayan, pina-crispy ko siya. Ayan, yung ulam ko.
Okay.
Ayan. Wow, ang sarap ng pakbit ni Mama Jen. Ayan, Mama Jen, ang ulam ko. Ayan. May siya.
Wala na po, ma'am.
Mhm.
Wala po, ma'am. Bayan kasi ako datong pa rin.
Okay.
Nare-receive ko lahat yung mga galing sa RCB.
So, ayan yun. Yan ang ulam ko. Yan, masarap naman ang kain. Yan, stir fry ko lang yon. Stir fry ko. The food looks so delicious. Yes, it's so delicious. Okay. So, thank you. And, masarap ano, Mama Jen. Ayan, Mama Jen. O, Mama Jen, naimod mo ini. Lucky Charm. Jade siya. Ayan. Binigay ito ng isa kong client. Ayan, pendant.
Okay po, ma'am.
So, ito 18K Saudi Gold. Ayan. Tapos ito, binili ko yung chain, pero yung pendant bigay sa akin. Ayan.
Oo. Doon sa
Di ba magayon,
Rainbow
Mama
pala,
Jen?
madam, pagkatawag ako doon.
Ayan.
pero
Ayo ang kuman ikaw pag nag-imudan ulit kami ni Chikwa.
Pero
Ayan.
may hindi siya.
Ayo ang kuman ikaw sinikon may chain ka. Ayan. I sent your friend request on Facebook. Okay. Okay. Later, I will accept your friend request.
1,800. 10. Ano po, ma'am? 4 na 8. 1888. Okay po,
Tapos,
ma'am. 1888.
1888.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ulitin mo, ang daming numero.
Okay po, ma'am.
Baa mag-ingat ka kay daghanon anang hamlet. Di man Mama Jen. Sanay na ba ya? Ayan. So, that's okay. Ayan. I-flex ko lang. Ayan, Mama Jen, ang aking hobby. Hindi ko pa doon na-imod ni Mama Jen. Ayan, ato Mama Jen, okay, nakataliko doon. Si Mama Jen. Hey, Mama Jen. Ayan, Mama Jen, ang aking hobby. Tubong bagyo. Ayan. Ayan, so Mama Jen, baa mag-ingat. Ay, baba. Ay, susay baa. Gwapuhon. Gwapo ba, Mama Jen? Diba? Yan ang hobby ko. Ayan, manginaon na siya. So, dinilang muna ako sa table. Mamaya, lilipat ako dun sa may sofa kay sa kanila ini-working na table din eh. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 14 na numberhan. Pero ang bata niyo, wala pa Mama Jen. Wala pa kami bata. Ako lang din ang bata. Mama Jen, ako lang din ang bata. Okay. So, thank you. Maraming thank you sa aking 5 milyon. I'll take care of you all. Yes, thank you. Thank you for taking... Hindi ka nakikita. Ayan. Pinakita lang kita kay Mama Jen. Kasi sabi niya, di ko pa naimod ang imo hobby. Ayan, ang aking hobby, Mama Jen. Ayan, mao parabot ko, darag ko na iso. Wara lang. Wara pa ka sir ko, Mama Jen. Permi busy. Ayan, permi busy tabi. Wara time. Gurang na. Pero okay lang, we're just praying kasi kahit isa, di ba, magkaroon. Ayan. So, Mr. Dom Lucky can also understand Tagalog because Miss Roslyn Holero did also teach him how to understand Tagalog. Okay, so Miss Roslyn Holero is doing just at work. So maybe she will come to visit us on our live stream, okay? Good appetite, yes. It's so yummy. Dom, Lucky, I'm done to you. Please back to my house, okay? Dali-daliin ninyo, ha ha ha. Mama Jen. Maski mag-sorcer ko, tumbling wa na good. Busy pa. Ayan. Pero, tingnan natin, Mama Jen. Ayan. So, Mr. Dom Lucky, kindly return also the hug from Mama Jen. It's your turn to hug also Mama Jen. Okay, Dom Lucky? Can you please, it's your turn. Mama Jen is already done to your channel. Okay, so shout out to everyone. Okay. Ayun. Thank you, Mr. Dom Lucky. Nadugo din ang irong ta, Mama Jen. Ang sayo pa si Mr. Adrian. Pag umabot naman yan to, ay sos. Okay. Sabi sa no kanina, nano daw kay di siya naka-super chat sa ako. So, Mr. Dom Lucky is connected to the creator of the YouTube. Okay, he's the one who's handling all the games. Yung mga games na add sa YouTube. So, that's Mr. Dom Lucky. So, thank you so much, Mr. Dom. Reka TV, hello host. Good evening to you, Reka TV. Okay, guys, those who are not yet connected to Reka TV, kindly be connected. Okay, so Reka TV. Okay, guys. Okay, Mama Jen. Reka TV is in the house. Sige mo, ang tinawa kay Uy ngayon ang si darling mo. Di man, Mama. Bakot si Mama Jen. Pag nagbaragat kita, pait lang ang ngarak-ngak. Dom Lucky, I'm here. Everything is fine. Okay. So, Mr. Cat TV, we have a new friend in here. That's Dom Lucky. So, if you are not yet connected to Dom Lucky, he is from Germany. Okay. So, he is from Germany. See, Mr. Dom Lucky. Ayan. Reka TV, thank you, host. You're very much welcome, my dear. Mama Jen, Reka TV done na. Last day pa. Ayan, Reka TV. Baka nakalimutan mo nga. Sipain din ang bahay. Bahay ni Mama Jen. Okay, so Reka TV. Thank you so much to you, Mr. Reka TV. Okay. So, big shout out, 5 million viewers, and my 4 million love of thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. Thank you ng bongga. Rika TV, haha, tapos na ata ako kay Mama Jen. Okay. Kindly check. Wala yata nga whatever, what do you call that? Wala yata siguro mga yun. Wala sigurong dito ako. Dito na lang ako, guys. Ayan, para. Okay. So, ayan. Dito tayo sa ating dito na lang ako. Okay. Hindi. Haanan makita. Okay. So, Mr. Reka TV, sige host. Later, mobile ako eh. Okay, sige. No problem. Mr. Dom Lucky, masaya ako. Ano yung sinabi niya? Okay, that's how we said. Oh, you didn't let it. Was timed out by Bicolana for... Wow, why? I'm not. What happened to you? Dom Lucky was timed out. No, I'm not. I'm so sorry. I don't mean to, So, actually, that's 300 seconds. Ilang minutes yun, Han? Yung na-time out, napindot ko siya eh. Napindot ko siya si Dom Lucky. 300 seconds. Ito. Na ko siya na time out.
30 minutes?
30 minutes yun?
Ilang
300 seconds.
Divided by 60.
Ha?
300 by 60.
300 by 60. Okay. So, I'm so sorry. Naano ko lang dito. Hindi ko maano eh. Naano ko lang dito.
3,000? 3,000 seconds?
300. Hindi ko alam.
5 minutes. 300 seconds.
Ha?
300 seconds. 300 seconds?
Oo.
5 minutes.
Okay, so I'm so sorry, Mr. Dom Lucky. I was not my intention to time out you. Just I hold my tab, then
Accident.
and accidentally push that time out. So sorry. I'm so sorry. I hope you are still there. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay, ano isip? Na-time out ko siya for 5 minutes. So, I'm sorry, Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay, so anyway, that's only 5 minutes. I'm so sorry. Okay, so Mr. Reka TV, ayan, pati si Reka TV accidentally na, very sensitive yung cellphones, nakakainis. Diba? So, nakakainis minsan. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Ayan, so we are now 5. Still, Mr. Dom Lucky is in the house. Thank you. Thank you, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Mr. Lucky. Okay, so let's go on. Shout out to my 5 million viewers. Thank you so much. Okay, nandito tayo sa kabihasnan. Thank you, thank you. Ayan, mag-lip shiner. Nagda-dry ang lips ko. Ayan. So, Mama Jen, are you still there? Dan last day pa, shout out ha. Tapos na ata kay Mama Jen. Sabi ni Mr. Reka TV. Okay, so wait for a moment. Dry na dry ang ko. Ang sakit. Nagda-dry yung lips pag malamig. Ayan. So, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 5 million viewers. Thank you so much. Ayan. Mr. Reka TV. Hello to you. Are you still there? Yes, we are 5 million viewers. So sorry, Mr. Dom Lucky. I was not, and it's not my intention, but I hold my tab and accidentally push that button to time out for you to 300 seconds. Anyway, that's only 5 minutes. I'm so sorry. Yes, thank you. Ate Emmy is in the house. Good evening, everybody. Yes, good evening to you, Ate Emmy. Okay, Mr. Reka TV, Ate Emmy is also a new YouTuber. She has 31 subscribers right now. So, kindly be support also Ate Emmy Gob. Ayan, kababayan ko po yan. Kapitbahay ko yan sa Bicol, si Ate Emmy. Okay? Mr. Reka TV, dito pa host. Yes, thank you. Shout out to my 7 million viewers. 4 million love of Kamsaps. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so dito lang tayo, magmahalan tayo. Ayan, so ako sobrang sensitive naman itong cellphone na ito. Ayan, so lumipat kasi ako, ay nag-change ako ng location kasi umikot ako. Sabay na pindot ko siya, so it's only Dom Lucky, hello to you. So sorry, my friend. Okay, hope you understand. I was not my intention, but it's an accidentally push that button. Yeah, but I don't mean anything to harm your ghost. Okay, beautiful ghost again. Yes, thank you. Devotee, dito lang po. Yes, Devotee is, ayan si Lodi. Devotee is in here. Okay, shout out to you. Wow, congratulations to you. Devotee, ayan. Thank you to you, Mr. Devotee. You are now a graduate. Okay, thank you. Thank you for having me here. For having you all here on my live stream. Ayan. Good evening to a very beautiful host. Si Ate Emmy. Thank you din, Ate Emmy. You are always been be beautiful. Okay? Thank you. Dom Lucky, beautiful goes again. Yes, thank you so much, my friend Dom Lucky. So guys, we have to speak in English because Dom Lucky is from Germany. Okay? Thank you so much. Reka TV, congrats, devotee. Ayan. So, nakagraduate na siya si devotee. Emmy Go, Reka TV, done to you. Ayan. Reka TV, ayan, kung may ano ka dyan, may mga alaalaga ka, batuhan mo si Ate Emmy Gob. Okay? Another, we have to congratulate Mama Jen for her graduation to Road to Grade 1. She is now grade 1, but sooner or later, she will graduate to her road to grade 2. 143 na si Mama Jen. Ayan, ang sipag naman nga ni Mama Jen. Okay? So, congrats to you, Mama Jen. Ayan. Okay. Miss Emmy Gob, Reka TV, done to you. Mr. Reka TV, thanks. Later, host. Yes, no problem. Kung may mga alaga ka, Mr. Reka TV, kindly help. Kindly support Ate Emmy also. Kasi sa amin, sa Bicol, mahina talaga ang internet. So, pag magandang internet, saka lang po siya nakakapangisda. Kaya we need also to support. Those are the beginners kasi galing din tayo sa pagsisimula. Then, para din makaabot sila kung nasaan tayo ngayon, let's help, okay? Dom Lucky! Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Dom Lucky. Reka TV, no problem. Thank you, bro. Okay, so we have 6 million in the house. No problem. Thank you, Mr. Rika TV. So we are now 6 million in the house and 4 million love of thumbs ups. Okay, guys, can you give me your thumbs up, guys? Just for the host. Okay, thank you. So we are now 7 million viewers. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. So Mama Jen is in the house. Big shout out to you. Big shout out also to Mr. Dom Lucky. Thank you so much, my friend, for always supporting me on my live stream. Likewise with Miss Roslyn Holero. Okay, Miss Roslyn Holero will soon to be here on our live stream. Okay, thank you so much. Oh, yan. Mr. Rega TV, Rega na lang, host. Napaka-formal ng mga mister. No, it's okay, diba? So, when you are calling somebody, which you have to address or na Miss or Mr., it shows respect, okay? So, we respect to each other. That's why I keep on calling you Miss, Mr., yes, my friend. Okay, so nasanay ako sa ganon, Mr. Rika TV. Okay, so okay lang. Dito lang siguro sa akin. Sa live stream ko lang siguro, but it's okay. Okay, so let's go on, guys. So we need to do the right thing always. Beginners, just do the right thing. Follow the rules and regulation ni YouTube creator para tayo ay wala tayo magiging problem, di ba? So pag nag-download naman ng mga videos, be sure na yung music, tapos yung mga videos natin is walang na-violate na rules. Then always i-edit nyo siya sa YouTube Studio bago naman naka-download, di ba? Pwede naman i-edit sa YouTube Studio. Lagi natin gagawin na, no, it's made for the kids. Pero kung ang video mo naman is for kids talaga, so you can make it, this is made for kids, okay? Mr. Reka TV, haha, okay. Mr. Tom Lucky, I take care of all of you and make you all laugh. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Tom Lucky. Okay, thank you so much for your presence, Mr. Tom Lucky. Big shout out to everyone. We are now 7 million in the house. Thank you, Starlatan. Shout out to you. Ayan, si Starla Tan, ang aking sister. Ayan, si Starla. Big shout out to you, Mr. Dom Lucky. Ayan, shout out ng bongga, Mr. Reka TV. And ayan, big welcome and a big shout out to you, Ate Emmy. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Big shout out also to you, Mr. Devotee. Thank you and congratulations to you. Big shout out also to Mama Jen. Ayan, Mama Jen. Thank you so much. Congratulations to you. Okay? So we have now Kyla05. Kyla05 is no other than Mr. Boss Paxo Pax. Ayan. Shout out CC. Shout out to you, Mr. Boss Paxo Pax. Ayan. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kyla05 at Paxel Pax to. Yes, Boss Paxel Pax, hello to you, boss. Thank you so much for coming here on my live stream. Dom Lucky, ayan. Ayan. Ow, ow, ow! May doggy siya. Ayan. So, thank you so much. So, diba? We need to be positive and always enjoy doing the whitey world, okay? Iwan ko to sis hanggang matapos ka. Yes, thank you so much, boss. Nasa live ka po ba ngayon? Video ko lang to, edit lang ako. Okay, sige. Take your time, boss. Thank you so much. Ayan, i-mute mo na lang dyan sa'yo, baka maistorbo ka. Take time to rest. Ayan, kasi ang mga OFW natin, di ba, napakahirap ng trabaho. Kaya sige lang po, boss. Okay lang po yan sa akin. So, thank you so much. Okay, Kyla05. Thank you so much to you at Boss Paxo Pax. Ayan. Okay, Mr. Reka TV. Dom Lucky, and to those who are not connected to Boss Paxo Pax, ayan, nakamute naman. Okay, thank you, boss. To those who are not yet connected to Boss Paxo Pax, ayan, i-type ko na lang yung main channel niya. Yung main channel niya is Paxo Pax, ayan. Yan po ang main channel ni Kyla05. So if you are not yet connected to Paxo Pax, yeah, Mr. Paxo Pax, he is already a monetized channel, guys. Kaya 'di ba? Once that you are visiting a monetized channel, kindly don't skip the ads, okay? Don't skip the ads, guys. Alam nyo kung bakit? Sintabo lang po yan. Iniipon nila yon. Then someday, pag tayo ay na-monetize, they'll also do with the same thing for our channel, okay? Ayan, so Emmy Gob, Kyla05, done to you. Ate Emmy, ito pa. Puntahan mo si Paxo Pax. Ayan. Kasi kanya yan eh. Si Kyla05. So, shout out to my 7 million viewers. Thank you so much. Big shout out to you, my friend, Mr. Dome Lucky. Ayan. How lucky you are. Mr. Dome Lucky. Ayan. So, big shout out to my 7 million viewers and a 4 million love up thumbs up. Okay, guys? Can you give me your thumbs up, guys? Okay? Those who don't, please. Okay? So we are now 7 million. And our title for today is Doubt Kills More Dreams Than Failure Ever Will. Okay, so that's our title for today. Okay, so may new videos ako, may new movie ako. Kindly play my new movie, guys. Ayan, merienda time. Boiled sweet potato for my merienda. Okay, so yan. Nag-video-video ako kanina, kumain ako ng kamuti. Ate Emi, nag-merindan ako kamuti na nilaga. Nilaga na kamuti. Si Ramon, may star margarine. Yan. So, big shout out to my 7 million. Okay, thank you so much. Kyla05 is in the house and that's Boss Paxo Pax. Okay, si Boss Paxo Pax po si Kyla05. So, kindly be connected to him also. Monetize ang channel niya, guys. So, don't skip the ads. Okay. I eat banana. I have to eat banana. Rich and potassium. Okay guys, let's eat. Makaon na naman ate Ime. Ayan. Okay, from Ate Emmy, Dom Lucky done to you. Okay, so my friend Dom Lucky, Ate Emmy is already done to your channel, so it's your turn. So we are now 8 million. Okay, 8 million. So we're gonna have to shout out, big shout out to you, Berlet and TV. Welcome to you, CC. Miss Berlin and TV is in the house. She has already graduated for the 1,000 subscribers. She is now 1,150 plus. Okay, those who are not yet connected to Miss Berlin TV, kindly be connected. Okay? So, ayan. So, Ate Emmy, i-idlip lang daw po si Boss Pac. So, later on siguro yan magbabalik po sa inyo. Ano, basta magbabakas kayo. Don't forget to comment the videos based on the videos, okay? So, Miss Berlin TV, Emmy Gob, hi. Ayan, let's go, guys. Yes, let's go, let's grow. And be positive, okay? So spread the love that lasts a lifetime. Don't spread the love that lasts in a day, okay guys? Kaya yun ang lagi kong sinasabi kasi ang gusto ko, you just do the right thing. Tamang noon, tamang bakas, at tamang tapik lang tayo, okay guys? So I'll give you the jacket, Miss Berlet and TV. Thank you so much for having you here on my live stream tonight, Miss Berlet and TV. So big welcome and a big shout out to you, CC. Okay, so let's go on. Big shout out, Reka TV. Are you still here? So we have a newcomer, Miss Berlet and TV. So if you are not yet connected to her, be connected, guys. Okay? Okay. So, ayan. Unahan nyo na. Si Miss Reka TV, hello host. Out muna ako. Mag-drive ako. Okay, no problem. Thank you so much. From Miss Emmy Gob, Merlet and TV, done to you. Okay, so Mr. Reka TV, kindly give the hug and return to those who visit to your channel. Okay, Mr. Reka TV, thank you so much to you and take care. Keep safe on your driving. Drive safely, okay? Mr. Dom Lucky, ayan, ano yan, sweat, ano yun, pakwan, pakwan, sweet melon, hindi, pakwan. Okay, thank you, Mr. Dom Lucky, okay, for sharing your dessert. Hi po to Berlet and TV, ayan. So, unahan nyo na. So, tapos ka na, Ate Emmy? Kay Miss Berlet. So, we are now 6 million. Okay. Okay. Kwak-kwak, Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay, so guys, if you go visit the channel, those who are kung binisit nyo yung channel ng isang YouTuber, kindly, pag nag-comment kayo based on the movies that you have been played, diba? So, don't comment in a single word, just a simple sentence, okay? Para hindi siya ma-spam. Then, don't ever comment any emojis, caps locks, and numbers. Okay, Mr. Dom Lucky? Thank you so much for my 6 million love of thumbs and the 6 million love viewers. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, go on. So, Ate Emmy, how's your badaras? Tingnan natin. 32. Okay, going. Moving. So, bukas, Ate Emmy, if you can make your live stream, kanina nag-live ako ng 1 p.m. hanggang I think that's 5 p.m. So you can also attend the live stream for Elias TV, okay? So ayan. Dom Lucky, Master Dom Lucky, thank you for the many subscriber and I wish you much success. Yes, you can also subscribe them and return, Mr. Dom Lucky. So you will not to give and take. If they are going to subscribe you, you subscribe them also, okay? Mila Albes, hello host. Hello, big shout out to you, Cici. Mila Albes is in the house. Okay, guys. So Miss Mila Albes is also a beginner. She has 42 bananas in the house. Okay, I will Mila Albes, I will play your Punta Kami Lungsod kasama namin aming guest. Ayan. I play this one so that I can push the red button for you. Okay? So, ikaw na ang bahala kay host. Ayan. Thank you so much, Miss Mila Albes. Kindly be connected to Miss Mila Albes, guys. Okay? So, big shout out to you, Miss Mila Albes. Okay? Thank you so much. Okay? Okay, so Miss Mila Albes, ayan. Nagbakas na ako sa'yo at pinindot ko na ang pulang manok. So you are now 43. Okay, so you are now 43. Miss Mila Albes. So thank you so much for you. Okay, so ayan. I need to go on. Okay, so we are now 4 million viewers. Thank you. Okay, Miss Mila Albes, I'm already done to your channel. Thank you so much for coming here on my live stream. So, if you are not yet connected to Miss Emmy Gob, kindly be connected to her. She is also a beginner. Ayan. So, ikaw, ahead ka lang ng 10 sa kanya, but she is 30 plus and you are 40 plus. So, go on. Be positive lang. Keep moving, guys. Okay? Download more videos para in the future, marami tayong mapapanooran, di ba? So, go on. So, I'll i-jacket na din kita, Miss Mila Albes. Okay? So, big shout out to you, Miss Berlet NTV. Hello to you. Okay? Miss Emmy Gob is already done to you. Okay? So, Miss Mila Albes, you can also be friends with Miss Emmy Gob. Okay? Kindly support also Miss Emmy Gob if you are not yet connected to her. Be connected. Dom Lucky, banana, 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 avocado, kiwi, avocado, banana. Thank you so much for all the fruits you have been sending, my friend. Thank you. Okay, so let's go on. Okay, loading ba ako, guys? Mukhang dinalo na naman ako ni Aling Loading. What a life! Okay, so go on. Let's go. Okay, so big shout out to my 6 million viewers. Thank you so much for your support. Staying on my live stream, guys. Okay. So guys, we need to remind again, if you want to go fishing somewhere, some of our YouTubers doing their live stream, but you have to stay 15 minutes on my live stream, then you are freely to go to some live stream na ginagawa ng mga co-YouTubers natin. Then after 15 minutes naman na galing kayo doon, you can come back on my live stream once na ongoing pa yung live stream ko. Basta 15 minutos. Okay? Thank you guys. Okay? Wow, super loading na naman. Ayan, loading ka Ate Emmy. Hindi ako loading. Ayan, hindi ako loading. Ang mahalaga, hindi loading yung aking pinaka-main na kung saan ako nagla-live. Pero yung cellphone ko minsan nag-ano talaga, naikot pero nabalik agad naman siya. Okay guys. So we are now 5. Okay guys. Kung may mga tanong kayo, you can also ask me and I will answer all your questions upon the best of my knowledge. Okay? I'll do my best for the best. Don't lucky. We all help each other. We have to support each other, of course. So that's why your turn to to subscribe them also. Those who visit your channel. Okay, Mr. Dom. Mr. Dom Lucky. Yeah, Mr. Dom Lucky is all the way from Germany. So big shout out to you for your support on my live stream. Okay. So Ate Emmy is in the house. So if you are not yet connected to Ate Emmy, kindly be connected to her. Also to Mila Albes. Ayan. Miss Mila Albes is also a beginner. Okay. Mr. Dom Lucky. I thought your watch hour is more than 6 million. It's that on a million? 1,000? Ayan. I thank you for your great support. Yes, you're always welcome. I will support you everyone to the best that I can. Okay? So, wala na yata akong English eh. Hinahirapan na ako. Miss Mila Albes, done to you from Ate Emmy Gob. Okay, Miss Mila Albes, it's your turn. Miss Emmy Gob is already done to your channel. Okay, so guys, what I have said before, you are going to pull watch before you comment and before you push that red button. Okay, so shout out to my 6 million viewers. Thank you so much, guys. Let's eat banana. Okay. So busog-busog pa ako kay nagkaon ako kamuti Ate Emmy. Nakaubos ako yata 2. Nadaran ko. I left everyone a subscription. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay, I have to remove your message because you better say it's a hug. I left everyone a hug, not a word subscription because Lolo Whitey will be get angry to us, okay? Mr. Dom Lucky, instead of subscription, change it into hug. Hug, S-U-G. Hug. Okay? So that Lolo Whitey will not be angry to us. Okay, so we are now 6 million in the house. So thank you so much, guys, for having you here on my live stream. Shout out to you, Mr. John Lucky. Okay, so Miss Rosen Holero, where is she? So Mr. Dom Lucky is a good friend of Miss Roseland Holero. Okay? That's why Mr. Dom Lucky is in our channel right now. So thank you so much for your support, both of you, together with Miss Roseland Holero. Okay? Enjoy your meal and enjoy it. Thank you. Yes, I'm just eating banana. Okay. Okay, so yan. Nasaan na si Ate Emmy? Nagluding-luding naman daw siya. Okay, Ate Emmy? Okay lang yan. Sakripisyo lang yan. Sige, antayin mo lang yan. Tapos ang ikot yan, mahihilo din yan. Marasa pa. Walang improvement talaga sa ano. Diba may free wifi, di man nakagamit lahat. My God. So big shout out to everyone. Thank you, thank you. O yan, tumawa si Ate Emmy. Ano lang yan, Ate Emmy, balakid lang yan sa ating success. Kaya go ka lang. Minsan si ano din si Mama Jen, ganun din. Pero wala siyang sawa, talagang hinihintay niya. Kaya lang, ang sabi naman kanina, madali pa lang malubat pag nagla-live stream. Sabi ko, oo nga, okay, di ba? But the joke was really cool. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Dom Lucky. We need to also to share jokes from time to time, so that we cannot be bored. Yeah, we talk on our dialect together with Ate Emmy, because Ate Emmy and Mama Jen are my neighborhood. Yeah, they are my neighborhood. So this is it. Nag-live na po ba si Mama Jen? Wala, kasi wala siyang naka-cellphone lang kasi siya, wala daw siyang computer. Kaya hindi siya makapag-live pa unless na mag 1,000 siya. Baka antayin na lang niya na mag 1,000 siya. Okay. So, pwede na sana siya for the StreamYard para mas dadami pa rin yung subscribers niya. Pero I'll try my best na tawag doon, maka-live para at least pag nag-live ka kasi, mas madali kasi yung yung subscribers. So, may sila, mapupuntahan talaga siya kasi nagla-live siya, di ba? Ayan. So, ipon-ipon ng WH. Ayan. Is this Aling Luding? Aling Luding, will you stop? You don't visit me while on my live stream, Aling Luding. Oh my goodness. Ayan. So, big shout out to my 5 million viewers. 6 million love of thumbs up. Okay. So, go on. Ayan. Let's go, go, go. Go, go, go. Let's grow, and be positive. Okay, guys? Maging positibo lang tayo kahit ito si Aling Luding ay pasaway. Di ba? Nagpapasaway si Aling Luding. Ayan. So, we have to go. Go, go, go lang tayo. Ayan. Si Ate Emmy. Hopefully, Ate Emmy, ayan. Kung mag-okay-okay talaga ang ang connection mo. Madali lang So, tingnan mo, 33 ka na. So, ayan, tine-check ko si Ate Emmy. Ayan, thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nandyan. Thank you, guys. Ayan. So, we are now 5 million. 5 million in the house. Thank you, guys. Dagang salamat. Ayan. Magmahalan tayo sa abot ng ating makakaya. Ayan. Okay guys, if you have question, you can tell me your question, then I will answer to the best I can. Okay? Kung may question kayo, okay lang kay host, magtanong kayo. At sasagutin ko naman kayo ng makatarungang kasagutan. Ayan. So, thank you, thank you. Maraming salamat. Ayan. Mila Albes, thank you so much to you. Okay? Ayan. So, medyo kunti tayo, no? Kunti pa tayo ngayon. Maaga pa nagkakainan pa sila. Ayan. May balita po ba kayo bukas daw? May interruption daw po bukas, 7 to 12. Aywan ko, wala naman dito. 12 noon daw po. Ay, wala naman dito, Ate Emmy. Baka dyan lang. O yan. Baka dyan lang siguro, Ate Emmy. Wala kaming balita na tungkol dyan. Wala. Kahit sa sa balita, wala naman eh. Ayan. Baka haka-haka na naman. Ayan. Globe daw po. Ay, ganun. Ay, ganun. Globe talaga. Ayan. So, wala pa naman. We will make your channel big and I will always make you smile. Yes, thank you, Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay. Globe talaga, Ate Emmy. My goodness. Ayan, okay. Wala pang balita. Akala ko ano yung interruption. Baka eruption. Ayan. So, Dom Lucky, we will make your channel big and I will always make you smile. Haha. Okay. How can you what will you do to make our channel big? Okay. So, thank you so much, guys. So, kahit ganito tayo, patawa na lang tayo. No? Tumawa na lang tayo. Kanina, Ate Ems, naka 4 hours ako. Ayan, good to see. Good to say. And good to see. Na I get a 4 hours. Ayan, nag 4 hours ako kanina from 1 p.m. Nakaabot ako, 1:30 ako nag-start. So, natapos ako ng 5 p.m. Ayan, so, okay na. Okay na ako doon. Naka 4 hours ako, diba? Din na may nag-stay ng mga viewers. Kaya, so, I got something 11 hours, yung binigay ni Lolo Whitey. So, big, na yun, malaking bagay na yun, di ba? Dom Lucky, from Mr. Dom Lucky, 1260. Abonentin. What's that? Is that a watch hour? 1,260 hours, are you? That's what? What do you mean? What do you mean for that, Mr. Dom Lucky? Okay, so you need to don't comment any more numbers, emojis, and numbers. Okay, caps locks as well. Okay, so what do you mean for that, Mr. Dom Lucky? We cannot understand German language. Okay? We only understand the numbers, but we cannot understand that words. Okay? We need Google. Abonentin. Yeah, dear. Makulog sa payo. Kay puwanta sinisindik sa tariyo. Tumawa-tawa din si tumawa din si tumawa din Ate Emmy. your words. You laugh at your words, Mr. Dom Lucky. Oh my God. From Mr. Dom Lucky, they are the subscribers of a good friend. If I can have so much, I will be glad. They are the subscribers of a good friend. Oh, really? That's 1,260. Okay, so I am now 320 plus. Yeah. I-google. My goodness, ate. May kunulagan ulo ko. Ate Emmy, yung ano daw, yung abonentin subscribers sa German. Ayan. Alexa Asahena 1260 abnomentin. Ha, Mr. Si Ate Emmy. Mr. Abnomentin. Ay, susambot si Dadarali. Ay, Ate Amy. Ayan, stress reliever talaga ang YouTube. Okay, so Mr. Dom Lucky, Alexa Asahena. Ayan, 1260 abnomentin. Ayan. Okay, I haven't laughed that much either. Yes, because we laugh because we don't know abnomentin. Then, Ate Emmy says we have to need a Google so that we can know what's that mean. Okay. Okay, Lodi Jose. Ayan, Mr. Devotee is still in the house. Thank you so much to you. Ay, sus. Sumakit ang tiyan namin dito, Mr. Devotee, Lodi. Grabe. Na ano kami eh. Natawa kami ni Ate Emmy. Ay, haha, nakaihi ka na naman din. Ayan, so Dom Lucky, you keep on laughing, huh? You're such a joker. But to say it frankly, we laugh because we are not yet familiar to that word, and that's a German word, right? So that's a German word. Okay, so Mr. Abnomentin, at least I make you laugh. Yes, you did. Oh my gulay. Mr. Si Ate Emmy kasi, Mr. Abnomentin. Kay Puan, i-google. Okay. So that's it. Okay. So you know that we are all happy in here. So thank you so much for having you here, Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay. You make me laugh. You did. Okay. Mr. Devotee also laugh. Oh, see? Ayan. Abnomentin, I take I thought abnomentin is a medicine. Yeah, di ba sa diuretic? That's a diuretic medicine. Di makaihi pero inom abnomentin. Sus Maria Mercedes Marimar. Okay. So we are now 5 million in the house. Thank you so much for make you Mr. Dom Lucky, for making us happy, making us laugh. Okay, so that's uh, that's also a good diba? Laughter is the best medicine. Then abnomentin is a diuretic, right? Okay, I thank you. Yes, you are very much welcome. Appreciated much. Okay, so big shout out to everyone. Big shout out to Mr. Lodi Devotee. Ate Emmy, big shout out to you. Mr. Dom Lucky, big shout out. Mama Jen, are you still there? Mama Jen, ayan, nagkakatuwaan na. Okay, so thank you so much. Mila Albes, thank you so much also. Boss Pax, thank you. Maraming thank you sa iyo, Boss Pax. Ayan, si Reka TV, thank you so much to you also. Okay, so this is it. Ayan, so shout out to my 5 million viewers. Ayan, Ate Emmy. Sino ang kasama mong tumatawa dyan ngayon? Ayan. Okay. Don't Lucky, you are all my friends and we always help each other smile beautifully. Yes, you did. You make us laugh. Okay. Ayan. A unique word to us as we are appreciated your word very much. Comments and laughing is for fun only. Ayan. Hanip ang English ni Ate Emmy. Dugo-dugo ang nose. Ayan. From Ate Emmy, according to Ate Emmy, a unique word to us, so we are appreciated. Your word, a unique word to us, so we are appreciated. Your word, very much comments and laughing is for fun only. Ay, yes. O, diba? What a word, Ate Emmy. This is it. O, diba? So, Mr. Dom Lucky, you see, we are also a good English speaker. Abnomentin. Ay, Diyos ko. So, Abnomentin is a subscriber. Means subscribers. Okay, so thank you so much, Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay, so big shout out to you. Mr. Devotee still in the house. Thank you so much to you, Lodi. Si Idol Devotee. Ayan, so thank you. Support nyo si Ate Emmy. Laughter keeps you young and healthy. It is, di ba? As the saying goes, laughter is the best medicine. Okay. So you laugh, you get younger, you get healthy. So yeah. Mga ko daralita Ate Amy kay napangarak nga ket si ka-abnomentin. Okay. So we are now 5 million in the house. Thank you for staying on my live stream, guys. Thank you so much. Ayan, tawa na tawa si Ate Emmy. Sino ang kasama mo dyan, Ate Emmy? Baka nagpartinawa ka sulo-sulo ba di masok na ano na ini si Amy. Nakaaram lang mag-vlog, nagtitinawa na sulo. Okay. I'm alone eh. Oh, alone si Ate Emmy. Okay lang yan, Ate Emmy. Maski kumuro karaw, kadang kusugon. Ayan. Yes po, Lodi Host. Ayan, Mr. Devotee still. Don't Lucky, we are just normal friends. And so it is best if you do live streaming on business and private. Should not be mixed up, okay? Yes, it is. Yes po, Lodi host from Mr. Devotee. Yes, we do our live streaming just because we need some more friends. We can also share our knowledge and how to do our channel, how to do blogging, yeah. And also we need also to exchange those experiences during our times, hard times, happy times in doing the YouTube. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we do not need to do some private streaming. Yeah, that is bad. So we we are as a married life, we don't need to do a video call for someone unless that's your friend of yours, family, yeah, colleagues. That's all. But for those people who are nonsense, they are just doing bad things. Just keep calling just to give you bad things, bad impression to others. That's not good. Okay, so we just we can also we also accept video call just for our friends, close friends, family, relatives, yeah, and colleagues. Okay, you are the first woman you are the first woman where I could not even write on the live stream for a short time. But thank you for this kindness and for your nice laugh. Thank you so much also, Mr. Dom Lucky. Yeah, you're so bolero. Okay? You're so bolero, Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay? So, Ate Emmy, are you still there? So thank you for so much also for staying on my live stream and for all your support, Mr. Dom Lucky. Likewise with Miss Roslyn Holero, who is your one of your one of your good friend. Yeah, so thank you to both of you for bringing you here on my live stream. Yeah, Miss Roslyn Holero is also a good friend of mine. Yeah, she started doing the live. She started doing the YouTube. She is always attending on my live stream also. So thank you so much to both of you. Mr. Dom Lucky, why don't I have the key in front of my name anymore? I'd like to get that explained. What? The key. Yes, I'm still here. Why don't I have the key in front of my name anymore? I'd like to get that explained. No, those with a blue one, with a key one, that's a key. They are the moderators of my live stream on my channel. So you want the jacket? I'll give you the blue, master. So you are now blue. You have the jacket in between and your name. She is a very good friend of mine. Yes, it is. She told me everything. She is your good friend. He is your good friend, Mr. Dom Lucky. Miss Rosen Toledo told a story about you. You are good friends, okay? Nothing more, nothing less. But she said, you are, Mr. Dom Lucky is my good friend. And I say, yes, of course. He's so kind. He is so kind. I tell him that you are so kind and a very supportive friend, okay? So that's it. So you are now have the key in front of your name, Mr. Dom Lucky. So kindly comment below so that you can see that you have your own key. Okay, Mr. Dom? Nagtaka siya dahil wala daw siyang susi doon sa may pangalan niya. He needs the key. Okay, you are now the moderator. One of the moderator on my channel during my live stream, Mr. Dom Lucky. So, take note. Don't comment any bad words, emojis, caps locks, and number C. You have your own key in front of your name. Okay? So, ayan. Mr. Dom Lucky, you are all my friends, and I guess you see you are all very friendly and nice, and I hope we have a lot of fun. And soon I will be in Philippines, and I will have fun with you all. We will have a nice meal. Wow, really, Mr. Dom Lucky? Yes, you sure? We can collaborate some of the YouTubers like Ate Emmy, Mr. Devotee, also Mama Jen. Mama Jen is living in Manila. Yeah, I'm only one that live in Baguio City. Okay, so that's good. Nice to hear. Nice to hear from you. Kasi wala pa siyang dinikit. Hihihi. Kasi wala pa siyang dinikit. Okay, Mr. Dom Lucky, can you subscribe Ate Emmy? Subscribe Ate Emmy because Ate Emmy also subscribes you. Also Mr. Devotee. Yeah, also Mama Jen. Every day. Every name that has been here on our live stream, all of them subscribes you. So it's your turn also. So Mr. Dom Lucky, can you please? Oh my goodness. Ate Amy. So, nagkurulogan nga lang ako. na nakatutok lang siya sa host, kaya wala siyang si Ate Amy. Kaya nga eh. Ayan. Then we will all come together and have a great meal together, and we will all talk and have fun together. Okay, Mr. Dom Lucky, and it's your by your expense, because we are not yet ready for a collaboration for that big meal, happy meal. Okay. I don't think you know what those words are. What? I know the words. So yes, I really, and that's we call, if you are going to invite such like me, like Ate Emmy, Miss Roslyn, we are YouTubers, so you are also a blogger. Then if you come to Philippines and you invite us for to talk together, to be together, all of us, so that's a collaboration. That's the word in this, as a vlogger. So you are going to collab, we're going to video what we are doing, like eating a butterfly, like us, like that. We know that, okay? Who shouldn't I have touched this question? Who who shouldn't have touched this question? May kuliti ni Ate Emmy. May kuliti. Ayan, may kuliti. So that's it, Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay, so you've been here inviting some YouTubers. It's okay, you invite your friends in the Philippines. Okay, so you can also do the collaboration to download to your channel also. You video it. You got a video. Yeah. May kulite, Ate Emmy. I understand you all very well. Okay, thank you very much for you got my point, Mr. Dom Lucky. Thank you so much. Okay. Hope you don't mind, but I have to explain it further so that you can also understand what I'm telling about. So that thank you got my point. Okay, Mr. Tom Lucky. Lucky I am, lucky you are, lucky of us. Okay, so all of the lucky, we are luck. Okay, have a good luck. Thank you so much, and I'm looking forward. You stay in the Philippines So you can have your good vacation in here. Okay, so thank you so much. Ate Emmy, shout out to you. Lodi, Devotee, shout out to you. Ayan, English na. I think it is very nice here on your channel. I think it's very nice here on your channel and your live stream. And it makes us all laugh, and your husband has already fallen asleep. Oh, you see my husband? You see my husband? Oh no, not yet. My husband is just like just there writing so many paperworks. Yeah, my husband has not yet fall asleep. He is doing something. He's doing their paperworks, my dear. Dumb lucky. Okay. Tiyagaan lang, di niya pa kasi gets yung susi. So please host kindly explain very much about the key. Okay, Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay, Ate Emmy, mamaya na lang kasi si ano na lang ang sabihan ko, si Miss Roslyn. Si Miss Roslyn kasi siya ang may ano din ng ano niya binigay niya yung YouTube channel niya kay Miss Roslyn. Kaya si Miss Roslyn na lang ang sukli sa inyo. Ayan. Ano yan, Ate Emmy? Siya yun may mga hawak sa games ng ads ng ano, ng YouTube siya. Si Dom Lucky. Kaya maging mabait na lang tayo sa kanya. Kaya tiyagaan na lang natin magpara ngawa-ngawa kita na duwa din eh. Ayan. So thank you so much, Mr. Dom Lucky. You see, you have your key. You have your key in front of your name, and that's you are now. That means that you are now a moderator on my channel, okay? During my live stream, you are one of the moderators, okay? You can delete all messages that are not allowed in YouTube during the live stream, and also YouTube also, you don't need to comment any caps locks, emojis and numbers, okay? Okay, walang mga susi sa harap ng pinto sa Pilipinas, ngunit cool na lamang na pumasok at magpaalam. Okay, yes, wala ang mga susi sa harap ng pinto sa Pilipinas. Oo. Kaya nga, ayan. So, nakakatagalog siya kasi Miss Roslyn Holero did teach him how to speak in Tagalog and write. So, you say thank you very much to Miss Roslyn Holero, Mr. Dom Lucky. That's why you speak. You can also understand a little bit in Tagalog. Okay? So, you have to be thankful to have in your life like Miss Roslyn Holero. Okay, so Miss Roslyn Holero is a good friend of Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay? Ngunit cool na lamang na pumasok at magpaalam. Kasi kung malaman niya yung susi, makakasusi yan ng marami. Kaya nga, TV. Ayan. Ayan. So, kailangan mong tumingin kapag ang isang puting lalaki ay nakatayo sa isang kakaibang apartment tulad ng mga tao ay nagulat. Oy, white lady na yun. You know what? That's what we call ghost. That's a ghost. O, diba? Multo. Ay, nako, multo. Ayan, thank you, Miss Roslyn. Ayan. So, si Miss Roslyn talaga yung niya, good friend niya. So, ewan ko, Miss Roslyn, ikaw na ba yan nagme-message dyan? Tatagalog na, straight na straight. Ayan. You know what? That's a multo. Ayan, white lady. Mr. Dom Lucky. My goodness. Grabe ito. Makulit nga daw talaga yan. Makulit. Ayan. O yan, may ay, yung ano niya. Alexana. Who's this? Whose Facebook is that, Mr. Dom Lucky? Is that Alex Ashana? Okay. So, ngayon ay maaari kang makakita ng isang live stream. Isang live stream. Yes, I am a live stream. I am on the live stream. But, white lady naman yun. Yabot din na ito eh. Awan panunot gayam na ito eh. Ayan, so, punhay na, may white lady na naman Ate Amy ho. Tapos sabi niya, ngayon ay maaari kang makakita ng isang live stream. Okay, thank you, Mr. Dom. Ayan, we keep on laughing. You're such a joker, Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay, so shout out 7 million viewers. Thank you so much. Ayan, magtawanan tayo. We have a friend all the way from Germany. That's Mr. Dom Lucky. So kindly be connected, okay? Thank you so much. Okay, guys. Ayan. So, Ate Emmy, sige talangan ngarangag doon. So, sigitan utot. Diyos ko, nain daw si Mama Jen. Kay basit tumuro tinawa man. Akala ko live stream ng white lady. Ay, Diyos ko, Ate Emmy. My goodness. Iba-iba na arabat ta din eh. You see how it goes? Yes. Ate Eme, di ba sabi niya, you see how it goes? Yes, we know how it goes because that's the goes. Ayan. Hahaha, sabi niya. Okay, so we are now 8 million in the house. Thank you. And 6 million love of thumbs up. Okay, and I'll make you all laugh. Yes, thank you for making us laugh. Okay, so that's enough. Let's discuss another things. Okay, so we are now 8 million in the house. So those who are not yet giving me the thumbs up, kindly thumbs up to the host. Thank you. Okay, so maraming salamat. And I make you laugh. Yes, you make us laugh. Thank you so much. 7 million in the house. Thank you. Ayan. Mr. Devotee, thank you so much. Ate Emmy, maraming salamat. Ayan. Naging masaya tayo. Pati si Mr. Devotee, tawa ng tawa. Thank you to you, Mr. Devotee. Okay, thank you. Does your stomach hurt when laughter? No. No, I'm not. It's not working. So it's okay. So that's 8 million in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you for all your supports, guys. Maraming salamat. And also, Mr. Devotee, thank you to you. Yes, we are now heading to our time. So maybe I need to make my live stream until we are somebody will come over again. So we are now 8 million in the house. So thank you so much. That's your husband. That's your stomach hurt when laughter. No, it's not. Hello, Nets Buendejo. Hello to you. Okay, guys. Nets Buendejo is in the house watching from Qatar. All the way from Qatar. Hello to you, Cici. How's your banana? I thought you are ano na. Yes po, Mr. Devotee, we have a newcomer. That's Miss Nets Buendejo. Okay? So, Miss Nets Buendecho, hello to you. Okay, si Miss Nets Buendecho, magandang gabi sa'yo, Sisi. Miss Nets Buendecho is, ano to ni, kumusta po si Manong Jukle? Ayan. If I still remember, if I'm not mistaken, wife siya ni Mr. Manong Jukle. Ayan. So, thank you so much to you, Miss Nets, for coming on my live stream. Thank you so much. Ayan. Ayan. So, nakagraduate na siya ng banana. So, you are now, ayan, inad ko yung isa sa'yo. Okay, so Miss Nets, thank you so much for coming here. Pa-shout out to all, yes. Big shout out to you, Miss Nets. Thank you so much for coming on my live stream. Ayan, pinindot ko ang pula sa'yo ng isa kong alaga-alaga. Ayan, thank you. Yes po, yes, Mr. Devotee. If you are not yet connected to Miss Nets Bendejo, kindly be connected, okay? Dom Lucky, from Mr. Dom Lucky, I think you are doing a wonderful live stream. We all have something to laugh about and it is a lot of fun. Yes, thank you so much for making us happy. Thank you, Mr. Dom Lucky, thank you. Okay, you have feedback somehow you hear yourself twice. Oh, really? Okay, my iPhone. Need to slow down the voice in here. Okay. Nabati pa nito. Okay, so we are now 7 million in the house. Big shout out to you, Miss Nets. Welcome back. And congratulations to you. You are now a graduate, Miss Nets Bundejo. So, kumusta si Manong Jukle? Ayan, maraming salamat sa iyo. Dom Lucky, thank you and big shout out to you. And also Idol, Lodi, Devotee, thank you Mr. Devotee. So kindly check all the channels na nandito sa live stream and kindly be connected also. So give and take lang tayo guys. Once you are been subscribed, you also subscribes also, diba? So give and take tayo guys. So big shout out sa 7 million viewers. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. So we are now 6 million. Yeah, 6 million and 6 million love of tamsak. So, yung mga hindi pa nagtamsak kay host, patamsak naman po. Ayan, para ganaganahan tayo. Ayan, Ate Ermi, shout out to you. And Mama Jen, big shout out to both of you. Ayan, maraming salamat. Also to Mr. Devotee, thank you. Miss Nets Bandejo, pa shout out to all. Yes, big shout out to you. Okay, we can all laugh here and we're all very good friends. Yes, thank you, Mr. Dom. Okay, maraming salamat sa inyo guys sa pagsuporta nyo kay Bicolana Ako Vlog. Ayan, maraming salamat. Walang sawang pasasalamat. sa araw-araw na pagsuporta nyo sa akin during my live stream, also playing my videos. Thank you so much, guys. Okay? So, I really need a watch hour. Ayan, watch hour. Need to reach that 4,000 watch hour. Dom Lucky, thank you very much for banana. I go quick now. Okay, thank you. Okay, ayan, very good. Mr. Dom Lucky also push the red button for Ate Emmy because Ate Emmy Gov is already done to your channel also. Okay, also to Mama Jen, Nets Bendejo, oh yeah, they are also done to your channel, okay? So, from Mr. Devotee, galing kay Lodi, Dom Lucky, thank you very much for banana. I go quick now, okay? So, they are going to visit your channel, okay? So, thank you so much. Okay, promise, Netch Bandejo. Welcome, Sisi. Busy lagi sa work. Walang pasok mga alaga ko. Yes, okay. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan, Sisi. Netch Bandejo. From Mr. Dom Lucky, we are all a very good community. We all help each other and I am happy to have all you as friends. Yes, thank you so much. Mr. Soplado is Mr. Soplado, Sir Soplado 0517 I77 official. Hi Bicolana, good evening for watching from Penang, Malaysia. Ayan, Mr. Soplado is in the house. Good evening to you. Big shout out to you, Mr. Soplado is all the way from Penang, Malaysia. Okay, so let's support Mr. Soplado. Mr. Soplado is 179. So guys, can you do me a favor to visit the channel of Mr. Soplado and be connected? So thank you so much, Mr. Soplado, for having you here on my live stream tonight. Okay, may pa-jacket na si Ho sa'yo. Thank you sa'yo. So guys, let's support Mr. Soplado. Thank you so much. Also to Miss Nets Bandejo. Miss Nets Bandejo is all the way from Qatar. Mr. Dom Lucky is all the way from Germany. Okay, so go on, Ate Emmy Paspas. Ayan na sila. Miss Emmy Gob, Nets Bandejo, done to you. Okay, so Miss Nets, it's your turn. Mr. Dom Lucky, okay. So, ayan. So, thank you so much. So, Mr. Dom Lucky, we are now heading to 10 million. We are now 8 million in the house. So, big shout out to the 8 million in the house. Thank you so much. Mr. Suplado, hi po. Please pa-help aman po sa YT channel ko. Yes, ayan. So, we're gonna have to support the channel of Mr. Soplado. Okay, Mr. Soplado, get shout out. Just do the right thing. Don't comment any words that are not allowed in the YouTube. Okay, so go on lang tayo. We can also I will shout out your channel the best that I can. Okay, so we need to speak in English because Mr. Dom Mr. Dom is nakakaintindi lang siya ng konti sa Tagalog, so we have to speak in English by time to time, okay? Also, we have Mr. Dave Cameros, okay? Hello, shout out Dom Lucky at Dom Lucky, okay? Mr. Dave Cameros, hello, shout out Emmy Gop. Okay. Miss Nets Bendejo. Okay, noted po. Risback ako. Ayan, si Miss Nets Bendejo. So, ayan. Big shout out to Mr. Dave Cameros. Okay, guys. To those who are not yet connected to Mr. Dave Cameros, kindly be connected. So, thank you so much for coming on my live stream tonight. Unti-unti nagbabalik sila sa mga live stream ko. Padami tayo, guys. So, we are now 9 million viewers. Thank you so much for the 9 million. Thank you, guys. Dave Cameros, hello, shout out Nets Bendejo, okay? Sige, risbak. Ayan, give and take lang tayo. Wag lang tayo magsasalubong, ano po, okay? para hindi malaglag ang banana. Okay, ginakit na din kita, Mr. Dave Cameros. Thank you so much for coming. So big shout out to my 9 million viewers. Thank you so much, guys. Mr. Devotee, Dom Lucky Sir already do the same things again. Okay, so Mr. Devotee is already done to your channel, Mr. Dom Lucky. So thank you so much, guys. So, di ba, mas madali tayong magyakapan. Ayan, pag ganyan. So, do the shoutout lang. Also, visit the channel for Miss Emmy Gob and Soplado. Mr. Soplado is in the house all the way from Malaysia. Okay, Penang, Malaysia. So this is it. Big shout out to my 9 million viewers, 7 million love of Damsak. So thank you so much, guys. Big shout out to you, Mr. John Lucky. Okay. From Mr. Soplado official. Ayan, si Mr. Soplado. Dave, hi. Okay, so Mr. Dave Cameros, if you are not yet connected to Mr. Soplado, kindly be connected. From Mr. Dom Lucky, I thank you very much. Yes, you are very much welcome. Okay, so Dave Cameros. Okay, si Mr. Dave Cameros is heading to her road to grade 9. He is now 878 at this time. So maybe we can make it for 880 or something. Kasi hindi natin kayang habulin yung mga ano natin dahil 878. Okay, but we can add some para makadagdag sa kanyang banana. So, Blood Official, Dave, pang 878 ako sa'yo. Ayan. Thanks po. Ayan, Mr. Dave, you can do the rest back to Mr. Soplado. He is already done to your channel. Okay? So, big shout out, Mr. Soplado. Guys, if you are not yet connected to his channel, kindly be connected. Mr. Dave Camero, hello, shout out. Soplado Official, puntahan na kita kaagad. Ayan. Yes, we need to support those who are na may mga alaga kayo dyan. Kindly give also to those who are the beginners in here. Okay, so we have Ate Emmy and so Mr. Soplado. Yes, they are the beginners. So kindly, okay, kindly support. Mr. Dom Lucky, yes. Okay. Mr. Soplado Official, Dom, hi. So, ayan. Mr. Soplado, unahan mo po siya unahan mo muna siya bago siya magbigay. Ayan. So, yun ang gusto niya. So, ayan. Mr. Dom Lucky, Mr. Soplado's gonna be have to visit your channel. Then, after, it's your turn. It's your turn to visit also his channel to Mr. Soplado. So, big shout out. Wow, we are now 10 million. Thank you so much. Ayan, thank you so much to my 10 million viewers. Thank you so much. Ayan. From Mr. Dave, ayan, Mr. Soplado, Mr. Dom is from Germany. So kindly, if you are going to comment, make it in English, okay? So Mr. Dom Lucky, yes. Mr. Soplado Official, Dom, hi. Mr. Soplado Official, Don pang 18 ako sa iyo. Okay, Mr. Dom. Mr. Soplado is already done to your channel. He is number 18 on your channel. So kindly visit also Mr. Soplado. Okay? Miss Emmy Gob, Mr. Soplado done to you. Okay? So Mr. Soplado, Ate Emmy is already done to your channel. Mr. Soplado, pabalik na lang po. Yes. Okay? They are all legit friend of mine. Mr. Soplado, nothing to worry. Basta nagbakas kayo. We are not in a hurry, guys. We need to choose the shortest video in the channel. Then you have to full watch of it. And you have to comment in proper way on how to comment based on the videos that you haven't played. Except don't comment any caps locks, numbers, and emojis, okay? If you're going to comment numbers, just be comment and a full words, okay guys? Para tama tayo, walang mababasura sa mga saging natin, okay? Mr. Dave Cameros, hello, shout out sa Plado Official, pang 181 mo ako. Yes, yo, she's running to her road to grade 2. Okay, Mr. Dom Lucky, I have subscribed to all of you and I am happy to have found so many new friends. Ayan. We are also thankful to have you on our channel, Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay, Mr. Dave Cameros, hello, shout out Dom Lucky. Mr. Dave Cameros, tara na guys. Yes, let's go, let's grow and be positive. Dom Lucky 18 abnomentin. Ayan, you are now 18. Yes. Abonnentin means subscriber sa kanya. So that's a German word, okay? Mr. Suplado Official, Dom pabalik. Okay. Mr. Dom, according to Mr. Soplado, it's your turn because Mr. Soplado is already done to your channel. Okay, so kindly return all the subscriptions from the people who has been visiting to your channel, Mr. Dome. Okay, thank you. Mr. Soplado Official, Emmy, pang 34 ako sa'yo. Yes, yo. Okay, Mr. Dom Lucky, bananas. Okay. Mr. Soplado Official, Dave, thanks. Mr. Dave Cameros, nabalikan ko na yung mga pumunta. Yes. Okay. Mr. Devotee, are you still there? Okay, so we need also to support. Mr. Devotee is in the house kanina. So we need also to visit Mr. Devotee. Also, okay. So, if you are not yet connected also to Mr. Devotee, ayan, kindly lang, mag-comment kayo, magbakas kayo guys para mabalikan kayo. We are not in a hurry. So, you need to take time, spend time to love, okay? Yan ang ating word, spend time to love, okay? So, meaning, you have to watch the shortest video in the channel before you comment and push the red button. Okay, thank you. Mr. Soplado, hi guys, please stay tuned po at salamat po sa ating napakagandang host. Yes, thank you to you, Mr. Soplado. Ayan, maraming salamat. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, di ba, someone is doing the live stream and I will do my best, the best that I can, para matulungan kayong i-promote ang channel niyo. Okay? So, those na may mga alaga doon sa maliliit, pagbigyan na natin. Okay? So, pagbigyan na natin, di ba? So, dadagdagan natin yung mga manok nila. Okay? So, manok nila. I need to Soplado 05I. Is that I, Mr. Soplado? Yeah, that's I. I7 official. Okay, search natin. So, thank you so much. Ba't hindi ko siya maano? Ay, ito. Taal. So, Mr. Soplado, ayan. Ayan, ikaw nga, ayan. So, anuhin natin si Mr. Soplado. 181 ka na. Yes po, ayan. Mr. Devotee is still in the house. Okay, guys? If you are not yet connected to Mr. Devotee, kindly be connected. Okay, guys? So, let's support also the channel of Mr. Devotee. Sabi ko nga, whether you are a graduate or not yet graduated for the banana, we still need the bananas. Monetize ka man o hindi monetize, still we need the bananas. Okay guys, don't ibahin natin yung mindsetting natin, di ba? Sabi nga, di ba sa nila sino yung mga writer ng mga successful na, ayan, sila Chinky Tan. If you want to succeed in your life, just change your mind settings, okay? So, So, ganun din tayo dito, okay? O, yan. So, I'm playing ko sa'yo, Mr. Soplado. Ayan, para madagdagan ng banana mo, I'm playing for you your TikTok. Okay? So, hindi ako makaka-comment yata dito, pero I try. Iba kasi ang ano ng iPhone, nakakainis. Ayan, TikTok. Okay. So, okay. Okay, so, pinalipad ko sa bahay mo, si Starlatan. Ayan, Mr. Suplado, you are now 182. Okay, kindly check. Okay, guys. So, you are now 182. Mr. Soplado ay official. Pam 182 si Starlatan. Thank you so much to you. Mr. Dome. Miss Roslyn Holero. Shout out. Yes, big shout out to you, Miss Roslyn Holero. Thank you so much. Dome Lucky, if you woke up here, you are in the right mood. Yes, of course. I'm always in the right mood. Okay, Mr. Dom Lucky, banana, banana, banana. So big shout out, 7 million viewers. Thank you so much, and the 7 million love of thumbs up, guys. To those who are not yet giving me the thumbs up, kindly please give me your thumbs up. Okay, so we are now 7 million in the house. Thank you so much. Okay, so we are now 7 million in the house. Big shout out to Ate Emmy Gob. Big shout out to Mr. Soflado Official. Thank you so much for coming. Mr. Dave Cameras, thank you. And Mr. Dome Lucky, thank you so much. Miss Rosalyn Olero, my big thanks to you, CC. And Ate Emmy Soplado and Mr. Lodi Devotee, thank you so much. Maraming salamat, di ba? Unending pasasalamat talaga tayo dito, okay? Give her a thumb every time or she'll turn red. Yes, thank you. So you need to thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay, so we are now 8 million in the house. So big shout out, guys. Those who are not yet connected to Miss Roslyn Holero, kindly be connected. Miss Roslyn Holero is a good friend of Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay, so don't you worry, Mr. Dom Lucky is a good guy. He is a good friend of Miss Roslyn Holero. Okay, so pag may bumisita at hindi bumalik, ayan, message ko na lang si Miss Roslyn. Miss Roslyn, ibalik mo yung mga pagyakap. Ayan, so thank you so much. Ayan. So Mr. Soplado, 182 si Mr. Soplado Messi. Okay. Okay, 182. So thank you so much. Heading to grade 2. Give her a thumb every time she'll turn it red. Yay, yes, yo. So big shout out, 7 million viewers. Thank you so much for coming. Okay, so we are now 7 million and the 7 million love of thumbs up. Ayan. Doom Lucky. What is that? Is that an apple? Apple. Pineapple pen. Apple pen. Okay. Rosen Holero, shout out. Yes, big shout out to you, Sisi. Ayan. iPhone din ako. Kaya nga, di ba, naka-iPhone ako dito sa isa ko, yung Starlatan, pero hindi ko pa to naayos kasi kaya hindi makapag-comment yan sa ano. Ayan. Congrats! Ayan. Congrats, sabi ni Miss Roslyn Holero. Congratulations din. Ayan. So, thank you guys. Si Mr. Soplado, makaka-grade 2 na. So, 180 daw. Pag may mga dumating pa, Mr. Soplado, mga bagong dating at hindi mo pa ka-connected, isa-shoutout ko ulit ang bongga ang mga channel nyo, bawat isa sa inyo, para at least kung hindi pa konektado, mapuntahan kayo, okay? So, Miss Rosie Nolero, pa-support naman dyan si Ate Emmy at si Mr. Suplado, Mola. Ayan, mula. Ayan, si Miss Roslyn Holero. Yes, the phone is your favorite device. Sabi ni Mr. Dom Lucky. Ayan. So, di ba? Ang mahal ng ano yung bago ngayon? Yung iPhone na ano yun? May bago ngayon ng iPhone, di ba? Mahal-mahal. So, may 3 camera. So, itong iPhone ko sa husband ko to, binigay niya sa akin. iPhone 5S. Ayan. Ayan. So, we are now, ilan na tayo? We are now 7 million. Okay, thank you so much for the 7 million love of thumbs up and the 7 viewers. Thank you, thumbs up dan. Thank you for the thumbs up, Miss Roslyn. Thank you. Maraming salamat. And Mr. Dome Lucky, thank you. Okay, si Mr. Dome Lucky, according to Mr. Dome Lucky, why is it that I don't have any K in front of my name? So that's why I'll make you blue so that you can see the key in front of your name. Okay, you are now the moderator, one of the moderator of my channel during my live stream, Mr. Dome Lucky. So thank you so much, guys. Big shout out to good talaga, ha ha ha. Kaya nga, di ba? Okay. So, Miss Rosen Olero, big shout out to you. Mr. Dome Lucky, big shout out also to you. Thank you so much for staying on my live stream. Big shout out also to Mr. Devotee. Thank you so much to you. Boss Pax of Pax, thank you. Nakabidyo lang si Carla 05. Sa kanya din po yan. Mr. Soplado Official and Mr. Dave Cameros, thank you so much to both of you. Also to Ate Emmy Gob, thank you so much to you, Ate Ems. Okay, thank you also Mama Jen. Thank you so much, and also to Miss Nets Bendejo. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. Tama, dito ako taga-bayad. Kaya nga, Miss Roslyn, kasi hindi siya nagsukli dun sa mga natin, kaibigan. Ayan, si Ate Emmy yata, hindi ko alam mo yun ba. Okay, Mr. Dom Lucky, what did you do beautiful? Tell me something. Kamusta hindi ako maka-LS? Kamusta hindi ako maka-LS? Kaya nga, di ba? So, busy ka pa rin ngayon, Sisi? Nandiyan pa rin mga boss mo? Ha. Ayan. So, ayan, nagtatanong siya sa'yo, Miss Roslyn, kung ano daw ang ginagawa mo. Tell me something. Ayan. So, ayan, kayo mag-usap na kayo dyan. Ayan, 7 million in the house and 7 million love of thumbs up. Thank you so much. Okay. So, that's a fruit. That's the kiwi, strawberry, and avocado. Ayan. That's a good fruit shake. Yeah. Salamat din po, Lodihos. Yes, thank you, Mr. Devotee. Ayan, Miss Roslyn. Ayan si Mr. Devotee. Mr. Devotee, ayan. And Miss Nets Bendejo at Emmy Gob, dikit na ako sa bahay mo. Ayan. So, thank you so much, Miss Nets Bendejo, for your support to the channel of Ate Emmy. Also to Mr. Soplado, guys. If you are not yet connected to Mr. Devotee, Mr. Suplado, and Mr. Dave Cameros, kindly be connected also. Kindly check their channel and be connected. Ayan. Then, i-shout out nyo na lang. Miss Roslyn Olero, ako bahala sa'yo, Suplado. Bigyan kita ng 5 bananas. Ayan. Si Roslyn, si Ate Emmy din. Ayan. Si Ate Emmy kasi Bicolana din si Ate Emmy, kapitbahay namin yan sa Bulusan, Sorsogon, ayan, family friends, ayan. Miss Nets Bandejo, devotee, shout out to you. Dom Lucky, banana, 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 ayan. So, ayan, Mr. Soplado, as she promised by Miss Roslyn Holero, she will give you 5 bananas. Okay, thank you. Thank you talaga si Roslyn Holero for your support. Ayan, ayan. Nandito na si Miss Roslyn, our very supportive friend of us. Okay, so Mr. Dom Lucky, banana, banana, banana. Ang daming banana. Okay? Hindi maubos-ubos ang banana. Okay, guys. So, shout out to everyone. Shout out to my 7 million viewers. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so getting stronger, guys. Okay, so go on lang tayo. Sige. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang live stream natin. It's only 9:15 here in the Philippines. So, I must have to 9, 10, 11, so okay, so go on lang. Go on, go on, go on. Okay, so we have to extend the time. We have to go, more times to go. So, magmahalan tayong lahat. Okay, so Mr. Soplado is all the way from Penang, Malaysia. Miss Nets Bandejo is all the way from Qatar. And Mr. Dom Lucky is all the way from Germany. Miss Roslyn, anong bansa ka, Miss Roslyn? Ayan, hindi siya marunong magbalik. Kaya nga hindi. Si Ate Amy, sabi niya, pakisabi, balikan ako. Pakisabi, balikan ako, sabi ni Ate Amy. Sabi ko, mamaya na lang i-message ko si Miss Roslyn. Ayan. So, thank you so much, Miss Roslyn. Nandito ang pararisbak. Okay, thank you so much. So, we are now 7 million and the 7 million love of Damsang. Thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat. Okay, so hindi tayo magsasawang magpasalamat. Siyempre, di ba? Kailangan natin magpasalamat sa ating mga viewers, sa ating mga subscribers, yan. Walang sawa kasi we need each other actually. Ayan. So, Mr. Dom Lucky, thank you so much to you. Ayan. You spend time to attend my live stream. You support all the way to my live stream. Kahit ilang oras talaga nagstay, maano siya gusto niya may kakwentuhan lagi. Ayan, so pag na-delay ka magsagot dun sa message niya, why you didn't answer? Ay, Diyos ko, okay. Ayan mo siya. WHCC, alams na WH baya CC. Ayan, manginain ako ng saging, nagutom ang katatawa ko. Ayan. So, thank you. Mr. Dom Lucky is still banana. Ayan, so much banana. I also have here banana. Okay, so we are now 8 million in the house. So, maybe it can make 10 again. Usap kami ni Amo, kaya naputol ako, Miss Beautiful Host. Okay, thank you. Ayan, Ate Emmy. Si Miss Roslyn Holero ang magbabalik sa'yo ng iyong yakap kay Mr. Devotee, ay Mr. Dom Lucky. So, Miss Roslyn Holero will give you 5 bananas. Okay? Sige, dikitan lang ni ako, babalikan ko kayo pati kay Dom Lucky. Ayan. So, Ate Emmy, nadikitan mo na to si si Miss Roslyn Holero. Ate Ems, unahan mo si Miss Roslyn Holero para balikan ka. 5 ang ibibigay sa'yo kasi parang bayad na doon sa binigay mo kay Mr. Dom Lucky. Siya yung taga-risback. Okay? So, Miss Roslyn Holero, ayan guys, unahan nyo lang si Miss Roslyn Holero at sa Mr. Dom Lucky. Then, Miss Roslyn Holero, as she promised, she will give you 5 bananas in return. Okay? So, ayan, Ate Emmy, if you are not yet connected to Miss Roslyn, kasi tapos ka na kay Mr. Dom, kindly be connected to Miss Roslyn Holero. Okay, guys? So, we are now 8 million in the house. Thank you so much. Ayan. I love you, host. Yes, I love you too, Cici. Thank you so much to you. Ayan. I'm just lucky to find you as my Cici in YouTube. Thank you. Okay, Miss Nets Bandejo Army, huwag mo kalimutan mag-iwan ng message sa mapanood mo na video para mabalikan kanila. Ayan, Ate Ems, mag-comment ka po sa sa pinanood mo na video sa kanila. Huwag mong iiwanan na hindi ka mag-comment para mabalikan ka, para madali kang mabalikan kasi once na hindi kayo nag-comment sa video, mahihirapan kayong mabalikan. Ayan. Sa tulad namin na nagla-livestream, may mga hindi pa kami nayakap na pumupunta sa livestream namin at niyayakap kami. So, pag tiningnan namin yun sa pag tinignan namin yan sa YouTube studio, nandun lahat ang comment. So, mababalikan kayo. Ayan. Miss Roslyn Holero, ako bahala magbalik sa inyo. Ayan. Si Miss Roslyn ang bahala magbalik sa inyo. Dikitan nyo lang si Dom Lucky at si Miss Roslyn Holero. Ayan. Thank you so much, Miss Roslyn. Ayan, guys. No worries na kayo kahit dinikitan nyo si Mr. Dom. Magbakas lang kayo doon. At magbakas kayo kay Miss Roslyn, ayan, sure na yung 5 yung saging na makukuha kay Mr. Dome Lucky. Okay? Ayan, so siya na ang magbabalik si Miss Roslyn. So we are now 7. Thank you so much. Ubus oras mo sa kanya. Kaya nga, Sisi, sumakit ang namin. Sumakit ng mga panga namin nila Ate Emmy kasi tawa kami ng tawa kanina. Ayan. So, Mr. Dom's Lucky, as I told you, I'll give you the key, but you don't need to comment any emojis in there. That banana, grapes. Okay, so big shout out to everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you for staying on my live stream, guys. So we have 1 hour more to go. Ayan, 1 hour pa. So magdi 3 hours lang ako, guys, para naman makapangisda si host, di ba? So we are now 1 hour more to go. Okay, so go on. We have 50 minutes. Okay, sige. Go on lang tayo, guys. So we are now 5 million. Okay. Miss Roslyn Holero at Dom Lucky, please play my playlist. Thank you. Okay. So Mr. Dom Lucky, you can play the playlist for Miss Roslyn Holero. Okay. Ayan. Laki ng bayad ko dito. Grabe talaga dito. Nakakatawa talaga, Sisi. Ayan, Dom Lucky, bon appetit. We'll laugh a lot today. Ayan. German ang niya eh. Bon appetit. Appetit. Ayan, from Mr. Dom Lucky, bon appetit. We'll laugh a lot today. Yes, I will do that from Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay daw, Miss Roslyn. Miss Roslyn, okay daw. I will do that. Ayan. Very good. So, thank you. I got some water. Okay. Stay tuned, guys. I have to take water. Get some water, guys. kasi dito. So, may buko pa eh. Ayan. Okay, so we are now 6 million. Thank you. Ayan. So, Ate Emmy, are you still there? So, ayan, magmahalan kayo, guys. Kain na naman ako. Ayan, o. So, this is buko pie. Buko pie. Okay. Delicioso. Need to this buko pie. Okay, so shout out 6 million viewers. Thank you so much, guys. And the 7 million love of Damsaks. Ayan. So we are now 7. We are now 6 million and we have the 7 love of Damsak. Thank you so much. Okay, so go on. I thank you all for making friends as good as you. Yes, thank you also, Mr. Dom Lucky. Thank you so much also. So we are now 7 again, 7 million and the 7 million times of love. Thank you. Okay, so Mr. Dom, lucky done to you. From Miss Nets Bundejo. Okay, Miss Nets, ang magsusukli po sa'yo si Miss Roslyn Holero. Ayan. So, kung hindi nyo pa kadikit si Miss Roslyn Holero, you can also visit her channel. Kaya, ayan. Yung sa'yo din, Sisi pa, play mo din. Hihihi. Yes, okay. Okay, Mr. Dom Lucky, you can also play my playlist. You can also play my playlist if you can. Okay, so thank you, Mr. Dom. I-play kita sabay Sisi. Okay, so malaki kasi yung WH sa kanila na binibigay pag sa ibang bansa yung nagpe-play sa'yo, no? So that's it. Okay. So Miss Nets Badehong, magsusukli sa'yo si Miss Roslyn. So kindly also hug Miss Roslyn. Ayan. Thank you. Maramang thank you. At Roslyn Holero, done to you also. Yes. Okay. So Miss Roslyn, tapos na sa inyo si Miss Nets Bendejo together with sino to? Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay. Mr. Dom Lucky. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, labas muna po, Lodi Ho. Salamat po. Yes, thank you. Ayan, Mr. Devotee. So, ang ano po sa'yo, ang magsusukli po ay si Miss Roslyn Holero. Yung pagpunta mo kay Mr. Dong, love your phone shine. Love your phone shine. Eh, bakit ganito nagdilim? Okay, wait lang guys. Ayan. So, madilim kasi siya. Okay. So, nadikita na din kita at Nets dati pa po. Ayan, dati pa pala kayo magkadikit ni Miss Roslyn Olero. Yes, kasi di ba nung start pa lang niyo, nagkikita na kayo together with Miss Lens Mastura, right? So, alam ko na magkakadikit na kayo. Ayan. Mr. Devotee, thank you so much. Ayan, so si Miss Roslyn na lang ang bahala sa'yo. Thank you. Till next time, Mr. Devotee, tomorrow I have my live stream at 1 p.m. in the afternoon and 7 p.m. in the evening. Okay, so you can attend my live stream also. You can fish kung may mga bago tayong maisda. So kindly support my live stream. Okay, thank you so much guys. So I'll do my live streaming today for 3 hours. So we have 45 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes more to go. Ayun, kain tayo, Miss Roslyn. Kain ng kain. Thank you for my 8 million love of thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. And thank you for the 7 million viewers. Thank you, guys. You stay on my live stream. And thank you. Ayan, Sisi. Ayan, so parehas tayo nagte-thank you kasi syempre, di ba? Tayo ang magkakasama sa ano natin sa mga mga kasagingan natin Kaya walang sawang pasasalamat talaga. Di ba sa mga sumusuporta sa atin walang sawang pasasalamat. So I have to finish my time until it done. Miss Emmy Gob, Miss Roslyn, nadikit na kita. Ayan. Tapos na daw si Ate Emmy. Miss Roslyn. Ate Emmy, nagbakas ka ba? Ang bakas is comment. Nag-comment ka po? Kaya si bahala na sa'yo si Miss Roslyn mag-respect. 5 na saging ihatag sa imo. Okay. Nagkaon ako buko pie. Ayan, sabi ni Mr. Dom Lucky, a white man cannot be overlooked. You see him everywhere. Ayan naman ang multo. That maybe that's that's a white man. Ayan, it's a ghost. Right? Do you believe in ghosts? I think it's just a superstitious belief. We need to eat banana. Hanap tayo pang dagdag saging. Pang trip. Nang trip ba naman siya? Kaya nga Ate M. So si Miss Roslyn na ang babalik sa iyo Ate M. So don't you worry. 5 ang ihatag sa imo ni Miss Roslyn. So ayan. Thank you so much Sisay for the support to Ate Emmy, Mr. Suplado, and all of us here. Thank you. Ayan. Saging ulit Ate Emmy. This is the only fruit here at home. That's why I keep on eating banana. And it has it's as rich in potassium, guys. I already finished two of this in the tree. So we are now 5 million. Thank you so much. Okay, ayan Ate Emmy, natapos mo po si Mr. Devotee. Si Mr. Devotee, si Ludi. Ay, tapos mo na kagabi, no? So, ayan. Okay. Sige, nasuklian ka niya. Okay, so we are now 6 million. Thank you. 3 hours lang ako Ate M, kaya naka 4 hours ako kanina. Kaya 3 hours lang ako. Ano pa 25, 30, so 35 minutes pa. Kalahating oras pa. Ayan, sana may dumating pang bago para maisda nyo. Thank you sa 8 thumbs up guys. Maraming salamat. Okay, maraming salamat. Okay Ate Emmy, pero siguro Sisi kung ako mag-LS, kawawa ako sa kanya. Kaya nga, ang dami niyang ang dami niyang chika, machika siya, kaya minsan pag hindi mo siya di ba? Tulad kanina, napansin niya na puro na kayo blue. Tapos mamaya, nagtanong siya, i-explain ko daw kung bakit hindi niya nakikita na mayroon siyang susi sa harapan ng doon sa may name niya. Kaya ginawa ko siyang blue para makita. Pati mga white lady, nasabi niya, ayan, ang haba pa naman yan mag-message. Kaya nga, diba, ang haba ng message niya Ayan nabasa niyo nandyan. Pero talagang tutukan ka niya sa live stream until na matapos ka. Kanina ganun siya sa akin. 4 na oras, mahigit siya 3 oras sa live stream ko. Yan, 2 sila ni Mr. Adrian Rodarte. Kaso si Mr. Adrian, hindi siya hindi siya nakaka-message ng dire-diretso kasi nga nasa trabaho. Kaya pabiji-biji siya. Kaya kung nagkasalubong siguro, ay nako. Tawa kami ni Ate Emmy. Yung mga augmentin niya. Ayan. So, pero nakakatuwa naman siya kasi pag sinupport ka talaga sa live stream, mag-support lang. Sis? Nakasupport talaga sa live stream. Buko pa yan, Han. Bigay ni Manang Roda. Galing siya sa Tabuk. Nagdiretso sa Tabuk. Ayan. Awayin ko yan mamaya. Bakit maawayin? Ayan. So, ang dami niyang ang haba ng message. Tapos, basta kaninang hapon, ayun, diba? Hanggang sa inabutan mo siya, ang tagal na niya sa live stream. Siguro nakapunta nga siya dahil nga sinubscribe mo ako sa kanya, di ba? Kaya napunta sa akin. Pero nagulat ako, sabi ko, taga saan kaya ito? Ayan, so we have to mag 3 hours ako ngayon si Roslyn Holero. Mag 3 hours lang ako bukas naman, di ba? Kaya naman. Ayan. So, Mr. Dom Lucky, don't forget to play the playlist of Miss Roslyn Holero and also my playlist. Okay. Thank you for always supporting us. Thank you, thank you. And ayan, Ate Eme, thank you din sa'yo. Kahit paluding-luding, pero ngayon nakisama yata ang globe sa bulusan. Nakisama. Nandito si Ate Eme. Nakailan ka, Ate Eme? Sana makaano ka na, Ate Eme. Wow, 35, Ate Eme. 35 ka na. O, tingnan mo. So, dumadami-dami din. O, tingnan mo si Ate, mag 150 na siya. Si Mama Jen. Malapit na siya sa 150. Ayan. So, go on lang tayo, guys. Just keep moving. Be positive. Keep going. Ayan. Mag-move din yung mga kasagingan nyo dyan. Kami nga no nila, Miss Roslyn Holero, patawa-tawa lang kami kasi minsan matulog kami, 80, pagising namin, 60 na lang. Ayan. So, that's it. We are now 5 million viewers. Thank you. And the 8 million love of thumbs up. Daghang salamat kaayo, guys. Ayan. Buksan ko yan mamaya ang kanyang YT para ako ang magbalik. Kaya nga, kaya nga, siya ang kasi siyempre, diba, dinikitan siya. Tapos sabi natin, bakit kaya hindi? Pakisabi mo, hindi ba nagbalik? Hindi niya marunong magbalik. Pero okay lang. Nandiyan naman si Miss Roslyn, Ate Emmy. Ayan. Umaapaw na siksik-liglig at umaapaw ang ibabalik sa'yo ni Miss Roslyn. Ayan. Thank you, Miss Roslyn. Gusto ko naman maka 100 si Ate Emmy. Pausad-usad si Ate Emmy. Ayan. Habang nagla-live, nagmamasahe ng siki. Ayan. Thank you, 5 million viewers. Maraming salamat. Ayan. So we have to do the live stream for we have ayan. Thank you, Miss Roslyn. Ayan. Sabi ni Ate Emmy, thank you, Miss Roslyn. Ayan. Si Miss Roslyn ang sa'yo, magbabalik. Ayan. Mr. Dom, Lucky, banana. Ayan. Maraming banana. Nakisama si Net ngayon. Kaya nga, Ate Emmy, no, hindi siya nagluding-luding. Di nakapangisda ka, bibigyan ka ni Miss Roslyn ng 5. So, sulit na. Sulit na yung mo ngayon kasi tulungan ka ni Miss Roslyn na mabigyan ka ng banana na 5. So, ayan, thank you. Maraming salamat sa'yo talaga, si Roslyn. Ayan. So, ayan, Ate Emmy, si Mr. Soplado, taga Pinang, Malaysia. Ayan. Pinang, Malaysia. All the way from Pinang, Malaysia. Doon siya siguro nagtatrabaho. Ayan. Then, si Miss Gwen May is all the way from Thailand. Ayan. Educator siya. Ayan. Marami siyang potassium ngayon, kaya dami banana. Kaya nga, yan, may kuliti yan makulit. Di ba ang mga message ang haba, ngayon puro na lang banana. Ayan. So, we are now 5 million and the 8 million love of thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Daghang salamat kaayo. Bye. Hi, bye. Hello, bye. Ayan. Maraming salamat talaga sa inyo sa pag-stay. Ayan, si Ate Emmy, nakaano ka ngayon. Kasi Sisi, mag-LS yan Sila araw-araw. Ah, okay. Mag-LS yan sila araw-araw. Ay, talaga? Araw-araw mag-LS. Kaya pala. So, thank you. Ako nga, araw-araw na din ako nag-LSCC kasi alam mo kung bakit. Gusto ko mga dagdagan yung ano ko. Ayan, Mama Jen, hello, Dom Lucky. Nakakain na kami. Ayan, si Mama Jen. Kumusta? 143 na si Mama Jen. Ayan, congratulations Mama Jen. Heading to grade 2. So, thank you. Ayan, nakakain na si Mama Jen. Masiramon ang suda. Ang suda nira. Nano yan to, pinakbet. Ayan. So, thank you, Mama Jen. Dom Lucky, banana. Ayan. Badi, pagbuwas mo, unggoy ka na. Ayan. Mr. Dom Lucky, thank you so much. And Mama Jen, thank you also. Ayan, so umuusad na si Ate Emmy, nakisama ang kanyang globe today, hindi nagluding-luding, kaya nandito siya. Thank you. Si Ate Emmy. Hi, Maria Mercedes Marimar. So don't worry, Mama Jen. Nadikitan mo si Dom Lucky. Si Miss Roslyn ang magsusukli sa inyo. I'm there, my friends. I listen to you. Okay. Yeah, I thought you were I thought you were not here. You go out. You're still here pala. Okay. So, Mr. Dom Lucky, Mama Jen is in the house. She also visit your channel. Okay, Mr. Dom Lucky. So we are now 6 million in the house. Thank you. Big shout out to my kabayan, Emmy Gob and Mama Jen. Thank you. I am Dom Lucky. I'm there. I am there, my friends. I'm listening to you. Mama Jen, dan ko man yan si Dom Lucky pero di nagbigay ng kapalit. Hindi si Miss Roslyn ang magbabayad sa'yo. Kasi si Miss Roslyn ang good friends. Kaya syempre pag nagbabalik, binibigay niya yung account niya kay Miss Roslyn. Siya ang nagbabalik sa mga dumikit sa kanya. Kaya no worries, Mama Jen, it would be back later. Okay, si Miss Roslyn, nawala siya, baka nagsukli na sa inyo. Ayan. Kasi daming potassium, kaya pati globe net nakisama. Kaya nga, di ba Mama, Ate Ems, tingnan mo, umusad na yung kabahayan. Kaya go lang tayo ng go. Ayan, so, Mr. Dom Lucky, shout out to you. Ate Emmy, big shout out. Mama Jen, ayan, shout out sa'yo Mama Jen. Going stronger ang iyong mansion. Ayan. Kaya go lang tayo. Daming potassium kaya okay ang net ng globe ko. Kaya nga, di ba? Who knows na makisama ang globe mo for tonight at madami ding na isda. Ayan. So we are now 5 million in the house and the 8 million love of Damsak. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so Mama Jen, magti 3 hours lang si host, then bukas ulit tayo, di ba? So we have 25 minutes more to go, okay? So tapusin natin at pag may pumasok, sulit na sulit, mag-extend tayo ng konting minuto pag may pumasok na bago. Basta 3 hours ako, but then pag may newcomers, we have to go on. Iporso natin yan. Ate Emmy Dan from Miss Roslyn Hulero. Ayan. Ate Emmy Dan, na sa'yo si Sisi Roslyn Hulero. Ayan. Tutulungan ka niyan sa yung banana. Ayan. 35 na si Ate Emmy. Ilan ka na Ate Emmy? Check natin si Ate Emmy. Kanina 35 siya eh. Mama Jen. Okay, Ate Emmy. Ate Emmy. Ayan. So, 35 si Ate Emmy na. You got 4 bananas. Okay? Ayan. Sabi ni Mama Jen, ang bagal ng data ko, host. Out ko muna ha. Yes. Yes, Mama Jen. Okay lang. Sige po. Take your time. Okay. Thank you po sa another banana. Ayan. Thank you, Miss Roslyn from Ate Emmy. Ayan. So, tutulungan ka niyan. Ate Emmy ni Miss Roslyn. Gaya ng pangako niya. Siya ang magsusukli ng kay Dom, Lucky. Kaya no problem. Okay, so go on lang tayo. Patuloy tayo. Ayan, pag nasa ano ka na siguro, pag nasa Malaysia ka na ulit, Ate Emmy, may ano naman doon, may wifi kayo sa ano ni boss mo, di ba? Ayan. So, mabalik na sa Malaysia si Ate Emmy. Hindi pa kami nagkita. Hindi ka tayo nagkita, no, Ate Emmy? Thank you sa another banana. Okay. So, thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa inyo, guys. So, we have 37, 38, 39, 40, 23 minutes na lang. Ayan. Tapusin na lang natin to. Then, we have to go on. Okay. Para makapangisda tayo ulit. Di ba, Ate Emmy? Mangisda tayo ulit. Di ba kadikit mo si si Pilipinas Swedish Vlog, mag-ano yun pero madaling araw na kasi, pero mas maganda yun pag madaling araw kasi mabilis yung internet. Di balik kita naman kita sa live stream mo. Oo nga, Ate Emmy, no? Thank you, Ate Ems. Ayan. Regards to Mama Peng. Ayan. Pagbakal mo pandesal sa aga, kumusta mo ako? Maraming salamat. Ayan, nami-miss ko na din siya. Ayan. Kasi syempre, di ba, duwa na lang ang buhay na kamanghod ni Mama, sira na lang ni Dada, kaya nakakamiss din. Ayan. Ang haba ng message sa messenger ko, my goodness, hanggang ilang ikapitong bundok, sisi, kaluka talaga. Miss Roslyn, kaloka talaga. Ayan, hanggang abot yata Miss Roslyn sa ikapitong bundok eh. Okay lang yon. So, ayan, tatapusin ko lang yung 20 minutes. Mag 3 hours ako ngayon. Ay, datuhan. Mamaysa. Ha? Uy. Dala ni Badas dito, nag-lunch si Badas. Kanina, ayan. Hihimunay ang binakal ko kanina kay Uya Paring. Oo nga, diba? Matanda na si Mama Ping, kaya. Ayan. Thank you, Ate Emmy. Ayan. Sa walang sawang pagbili ng tinapay sa bahay. Maraming salamat. Munay. Pero mas gusto ko yung yung panligaspi, diba? Yung matigas. Tapos yung yung isang ginagawa nila? Yung pandiagua. Kay Pilipina, mga 12 midnight. Ayan, nag-start na sa 12 midnight in the Philippines. Ayan, pag nakabell sa'yo, basta Filipina Swedish Vlog. Ayan. So, na yan. Mag-start. Madami din isda doon. Ayan. Miss Roslyn Holero. Hindi ko siya kinakausap sa video call. Hindi kanya titigilan. Buti nga hindi ko siya kinakausap sa video, hindi kanya titigilan. Kaya ay masira mong pano. Ayan. Thank you, Ate Emmy. Yes. At, di ba, ang lasa ng tinapay, yung lasa ng tinapay sa amin, yung lasa nung kapanahunan. Walang binago doon. Ayan. Walang binago sa lasa. Ayan. So, masarap talaga ang tinapay sa bahay. Kung ano ang timpla ni Lolo Ingdam noon, ganun pa rin. Kaya sabi ko nga, i-computerize na natin yung notebook na yan. Malapit nang maglaglaga. Ayan. So, memorize naman na kasi nila yung mga timpla. Kaya, okay lang. Malagas man. Tinago na nga namin yata. Kasi baka malagas, wala nang remembrance kay Lolo. Ayan. So, thank you. Masarap pa rin yung hupya. Diba? Sarap ng hupya pag mainit. Ayan. Okay. Thank you, Ate Emmy. Ayan. So, minsan magla-live stream ako. Nagbibinta sin tinapay. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Maraming salamat. Ayan. Si Mr. Dom na nag-message hanggang sa ikapitong bundo kay Miss Roslyn. Si Miss Roslyn ang taga-sukli. Ayan. Thank you talaga, Sisi. Sa mga ano nyo. Ayan. So, may 18 minutes. 18 minutos na lang. Matatapos na si host. Okay. So, tapusin natin. Kasi konting minuto lang naman na. Then, mangisda tayo ng sabay-sabay para dumami yung isda natin. Ayan. So, ang bahala, take charge to the expert kay Miss Roslyn Holero. Taga-salo siya ng mga dumikit kay Dom. Sus Maria Mercedes. Okay. So, thank you. So, at least Miss Roslyn, okay lang na ikaw ang taga-sukli kasi i-play ka man niya. Ipi-play man ang videos mo, kaya okay lang yun. Taga-sukli ka niya, hindi siya marunong. Sabi lang niya, binisit niya, siguro tinignan lang niya yung ano, tinignan lang yung channel. Ayan. Buti nang nagkakausap sa video call, hindi kaya niya. Ayan, sabi ni Ate Emmy, sana may net bukas pagbili ko ng kopya, dalhin ko cellphone ko, ha ha ha. Sana nga Ate Emmy, sana nga meron bukas, no? Ayan, pogi kaya yan si Dom, kaso lang babaero. Ayan, pogi daw si Doms, pero babaero, sabi ni Miss Roslyn Holero. Ayan, sige lang. Okay. Miss Roslyn, thank you sa sukli from Miss Emmy Gob. Ayan, thank you daw, sabi ni Ate Omo Gob, si Roslyn Holero. Ayan, si Ate Emmy, going strong ito eh. So, ako nasa na ako 1,300 plus. Okay, thank you guys. Ayan, so tapusin natin to. Heading to so we are now heading to 45, 50, 60. So we are now 15 minutes. Ayan, 15 minutos na lang. So sulitin na natin ang oras. Open ko ng kay Dom. Ayan, i-open na ang kay Dom. Ate Emmy, didikitan ka na ni Miss Roslyn. Ayan, Miss Roslyn, kindly. Ayan. Ikaw nang bahala kay Ate Ems kung ilan ang ibibigay mo pa dyan sa mga alaga mo. Ikaw na ang bahala kay Ate Emmy. Thank you, Sisi. Maraming salamat. Okay, so we have 15 minutes. Ayan, tapusin na lang natin guys na magchika-chika tayo. So mag-8 hours tayo ngayon. Ay, 3 hours tayo ngayon. So naka 7 hours ako. 7 hours ako eh. Ayan, kung pwede ko lang kanina ituloy, di ba? Kaya lang mawawala yung viewers ko pag hindi ko siya in-stop ng 4 hours, then magluluto ako. Kaya I need to stop. Ayan, then pero bukas try ko na idere-diretso para mas madali ako makatapos din. Ayan. Okay, so Ayan. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Ayan, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. 15 minutes. Thank you. Ayan. From Ate Emmy, thank you again sa potassium, Miss Roslyn. Ayan. Maraming salamat daw sa potassium, Miss Roslyn. From Ate Emmy. Ayan. Thank you, thank you. So, si Ate Emmy. Nako, Ate Emmy. Malapit-lapit ka na. Malapit-lapit na. Sana maka-50 ka na ngayon. Kung okay yung internet mo, Ate Ems, makakaano ka ngayon. Makadami-dami ka. Oh, ayan, si 900 na si Mr. Dave Cameros. So, si Mr. Dave Cameros is 902. Okay. Miss Dave Cameros. So, Miss Dave Cameros. 92. Ayan. Thank you, Ate Emmy. Ayan. Dom Lucky, nakasukli na siya. Hindi lang nag-comment. Ayan. So, hindi daw nagbakas. Nakasukli na daw si Dom Lucky. Ayan. Thank you, Miss Roslyn. Maraming salamat. Okay. Okay, thank you. Yes, counted siguro sa'yo, Ate Emmy. Ayan. Hindi lang siya nag-comment. Pero full watch siguro yung ginawa niya. Okay, Dom Lucky, banana. Ayan. Ayan, so banana. Dom Lucky, Emmy Dan po. Ayan, Dan na daw siya. Ayan, so binuksan siya ni Miss Roslyn. Yung kanyang account. Siya ang nagsukli. Ayan na. Nasuklian ka na, Ate Emmy. Maraming salamat. So, mayroon pa tayong ilang minuto. 10 minutes na lang. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Bye. So, okay, Miss Emmy, done to you from Dom Lucky. Ayan. So, counted na siguro yun, Ate Emmy, dun sa banana mo. So, thank you. So, Ate Emmy, kung maka-attend ka doon, Filipino-Swedish vlog, sino pa yung live na makikita mo? Na dinikitan mo na pag nakita mong live, puntahan mo para gaya ni Ate Jen, lahat ng dinikitan niya pag live, pinupuntahan niya, mangingisda siya, tapos 15 minutes, nakakalima siya or 3, ganyan, labas na siya sa iba naman. Ayan, so ganun lang gawin mo, pag sino ang live, punta ka dun. Okay, para dumami din ang banana mo. Si Ate Jen, ganun. Stay siya sa akin ng 15 minutes, lalabas siya. So, ganun ang gawin nyo, guys. Ayan, pag naisda nyo na lahat na nandito sa bahay, punta kayo muna sa iba, 15 minutes. Stay kayo ng 15 minutes sa akin, then you go to fishing. Punta kayo sa iba, 15 minutes ulit ang stay nyo, then balik kayo dito. Ayan, ganun na lang ang gawin natin. Okay na, Ate Emmy, bigyan kita mamaya ng 5 pa. Ayan. Bibigyan ka pa ng 5 ni Miss Roslyn mamaya, Ate Emmy. So, kung 35 ka na ngayon, magiging 40 na ang saging mo mamaya kasi bibigyan ka ng 5 ni Miss Roslyn Holdero. Ayan. So, thank you, Sisi. Maraming salamat to you, Sisi. Thank you sa'yo. Bibigyan ka niya ng 5. Sure yan, Ate Emmy. Ayan. So, thank you, Ate Ems. And Sisi Roslyn, thank you. Big support talaga. Maraming salamat. Abangan ko si Pilipina mamaya. Opo, sige Ate Emmy, doon tayo. Kasi for sure, gising pa ako kasi mangisda ako ngayon para madagdagan yung banana ko. Kasi sabi ni Lolo, I need banana daw. Kailangan pa dumami yung saging natin. Di bang iba, 3,000 na. 2,000. Ayan. So, we need more bananas, guys. So, mangisda tayo. Ayan. Dom Lucky. Okay, salamat, Sisi. Yes, Miss Roslyn. Thank you. I-play natin ang mga videos natin. Then, clear watch history lang tayo tuwing umaga. No, mga 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Philippine time. Yan. Para makaano tayo ng watch hour natin. Makahabol-habol tayo sa watch hour natin. So, 9 minutes na lang, sis. Ayan, mga sisi. I have 9 minutes more to go. Ayan, tapusin lang natin. 9 minutes na lang. Para makapag, tayo, matapos. 9 minutes, saglit na lang yan. Okay. So, Mr. Dome Lucky, thank you so much to you, sir. Mr. Dome Lucky, thank you to you. Miss Sisi Roslyn, salamat. And Ate Emmy. Si Ate Emmy nakahabol, nakisama ang kanyang globe. Ayan, Ate Emmy, ako 2 weeks lang nakuha ko ang 1K banana. Nahirapan kasi siya, Sis Roslyn, dahil ang signal sa amin talaga namang niyayakap ni Aling Luding ang signal sa amin. Although mayroon na kami yung tinatawag na cable, yung cable net. 'Di ba yung na siya sa TV mo, yung cable mo. Then yung yung internet. So that's 1,000 plus something, 1,250 per month. So yun ang nakakabit doon. Pero si Ate Emmy kasi pabalik siya ng Malaysia. So magbabakasyon siya for a month, then balik ulit siya ng Malaysia. Ayan. So, kaya hindi siya makabul-habol. Pero si si Mama Jen naman kasi natutukan niya. Si Ate Emmy kasi, ang hirap kumuha ng signal sa kanila. Ayan. Kami nasa sentro, yung bahay ng auntie ko. Nasa town proper of Bulusan kami. Then yung isang bahay namin, nasa Madlabon. May signal doon talaga ang globe. Pero kaya Ate Emmy kasi, pag hindi siya pumunta doon sa tiyahin niya, wala talagang signal na makukuha na maganda doon sa kanila. Ayan. Pero kung okay siguro, makuha man niya yan. Kasi si Miss Roslyn talagang trinabaho niya. In 2 weeks talaga nakuha niya. Alam ko yan. Kaya ganun, Ate Emmy. Ganyan tayo. Hanapin natin yun na mag-live stream. Attend tayo. Shoutout tayo doon. Makukuha din natin yan. Ayan. Makukuha mo rin yan. So, ayan. Thank you to all of us for the total of my banana tonight. Yes. Big thank you also to you, Ate Emmy. Ayan. Mamaya, bibigyan ka pa ni Miss Roslyn. Kaya, madadagdagan ko ulit. Mabuti naman dito nagbabayad na ng ayos ang kabit mahay, kaya nakadikit ako sa wifi nila. Naka-wifi si Sisi. Ayan, okay. So maganda yan, Sisi. May wifi kayo. Kapitbahay nyo may wifi. Okay yan. Okay yan, Sisi. At least, di ba? Mayroon kang connection na So, hindi mo na kailangan na maghanap-hanap pa ng signal na kung saan. So, mayroon ng wifi. So, ganun lang. Swertihan lang. Pero kung pag nasa Bicol ka talaga, you need to do the data. Maglo-load ka talaga sa Globe. Si Ate Emmy kasi, nung nag-load siya ng 2 tigwa 1,000. Hindi nagugulat siya, nawawala agad. So, hindi niya alam kung bakit. Siguro sabi ko na uubos sa kaluding-luding. Pero 1 month actually yung niya, unli resolve niya. Ayan. Kaya nga si Luding, kaya nga nakainis, di ba? Puntahan mo si Oya Luding. Puntahan mo sa Sabang. Oya Luding, ano ka ba? Ayan. Dito pala ako sa Riyadh. Ayan, si Miss Rose Olero nasa Riyadh. Ayan, Riyadh si Miss Roslyn. Yung isa kong yung isa ko dating kasama sa manicurist, nasa Riyadh din si Ate Linda. Ayan. So, nasa ano na siya, nasa Riyadh. Pero hindi sila nakakalabas, wala silang day off. Nag-aalaga siya ng matanda. Wala daw silang day off, pero nakakalabas din sila kasama yung boss nila, yung amo nila. Ayan, si Mr. Dom Lucky, banana, 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 always banana. Ayan, sumubra na yata ang potassium mo, Mr. Dom Lucky. So, keep on writing bananas. Ganon din kami. Oh, ganon nga. Diba? Hindi sila, wala silang day off, sisi. Pero nakabakasyon siya last year. Nagbakasyon siya last year. For 2 years. 2 years siya nagstay. Then nagbakasyon siya for almost 1 month and a half siya nagbakasyon sa Pinas. Then bumalik na ulit siya. 2 years contract ulit, then balik ulit siya. Ewan ko kung babalik pa siya for 2 years kasi sabi ko nga sa kanya, maganda yung ginawa niya na nagpundar siya na yung may mga taniman siya ng mga gulay na pambenta. Yun, may mga binabagsakan sila. So sabi ko sana magtuloy-tuloy para hindi na siya aalis kasi may dalawa siyang anak na isang high school at isang senior high babae. So yung isa niya kasing dalaga nagtatrabaho na din sa Cavite. Kaya sabi ko for good, di ba? Kung makaipon na. Sabi niya oo, hindi na daw siya babalik pag nakaipon. Malaki naman daw ang wala nang day off, wala namang gastos na ano. Ayan. Kung bigyan ako ng salary ni Whitey, hindi na ako babalik. Kaya nga, di ba? Mag-focus na lang tayo sa Whitey. Di ba, Sisi Roslyn? Mag-focus tayo sa ano natin, sa Whitey. Ayan. Bakit hindi, di ba? Ang iba nga, kinaya nila. Tayo pa kaya, Sisi Roslyn, na may pangarap din tayo. Kaya natin to. Tulungan lang tayo dito. Suportahan, ayan. Kung may mga tao na gusto na mag-give up, tulungan natin na malinawan yung pag-iisip. Para hindi give up. Ayan, so guys, we have 2 minutes more to go. Ayan, 2 minutes na lang tayo, matatapos na si host. Ayaw ako tatanan ni Uya Luding. Ayan, buti na lang nakapangisda ka, Ate Emmy. Ayan, so 2 minutes na lang ako, Ate Emmy. Matatapos ka din ako. Ayan, so antayin mo na lang yung bigay sa'yo ni Miss Roslyn. Mamaya, ipahinga mo muna yung cellphone mo. Yan, pwede ka na mag-out, Ate Ems. Kung gusto mo lang mag-out at loading man lang yan. Matatapos din naman na ako, Ate Ems. Ayan, sana may signal bukas. Ayan, attend ka ng live stream ko, 1 p.m. Hanggang hapon tayo, mga 4 naman. Makapag-4 na oras ako bukas, okay na yun sa akin. Ayan, so we have 2 minutes more to go. He loves bananas. Yes. Si Mr. Dom Lucky, he loves bananas. Ayan. Puro banana. Ayan. Tama kaya Dom Lucky, wag mo ako bibitawan lalo sa WH. Kaya nga sis. Kaya nga, di ba, Sisi? Ganun lang. Sige lang, fight lang tayo. Ayan, para sa WH natin. Ayan, fight lang nga tayo, Sisi. So, we have now, ayan, so 2 minutes pa tayo, guys. Ayan. Banana. Okay? Mr. Dom Lucky, you can also you support Sisi Roslyn for her WH also. You can play her playlist and you can also support us. Okay, so support each other. Ayan. Grabe na ito. Okay guys, so we are now 3 hours na si host. So again, thank you so much to Mr. Dom Lucky, Miss Emmy Gob, Cici Roslyn Holero, thank you so much. Mama Jen, thank you. And to all of you na nandito pa, thank you so much guys. Ayan, sino ang hindi ko napasalamatan? Ayan, basta thank you sa inyo guys. Ayan, Mr. Devotee, thank you so much. Ayan. Okay, I'll say goodbye to you. I see you tomorrow on my live stream at 1 p.m. Philippine time, guys. I do my live stream at 1 p.m. Okay, tomorrow I'll see you around, guys. Thank you so much, and God bless, and good night to everyone. Okay, so I must have to say goodbye. Thank you, Cici Roslyn Holero. Ayan, messenger na lang tayo. Okay, thank you, Miss Emmy. Ate Ems, thank you. Ayan, so attend tayo kay Filipina Swedish vlog later kung maabutan natin siya or magla-live stream siya ngayon. We need to mangisda tayo dalawa, Ate Emmy. Okay, so guys, Mr. Dom Lucky, thank you so much. Goodbye everyone. Thank you for staying on my live stream, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you again tomorrow, 1 p.m. Philippine time. Thank you again. God bless everyone.